453 0544 444 na BBC M1 ne mande da yesoro entimi emfa ma kama pana shishero enko yesoro entimi emfa emma na Vodafone for zemenka emfa chozene omo abomode di Vodafone cash special bundles no abababazia emu edeye papa ni nyina se 5 Ghana cedi pe obomode nya 200 minutes orubedi nkomo ederemo all network a valid for 7 good days etunya ne bebia odiane so obebo modern na wetimi ede o mobile money wallet no etimi ede ato na boamane madadi pera mo Vodafone cash no so eti star 110 hash star 110 hash star 110 hash wabomodern etimi ato anase pono uyusu my Voda app na yebebo na ntotua na daye kama so no etimi ede amana bibia enso akoyie so ede amamo ye penko mienu a omoye mbema se ede omoko akoko ramu ewa amonone amomo ye adwuma agi sika dodo na eye simple munkomo no nya yade ehye papa izanse permit awdo na ye gibi area ma we Europe mpata monte simple oye bema nkware afanamba yi na ni mpemfo nkasa 0241 272 990 0241 272 990 nambwa na ibibia ended a year so enfama game pack limited semenka enfan chosen the game pack pick one no ababa na a simple cry yama number no from 1 to 36 uremu apeke the lucky number no e boma enhihye no ehye kama pa etimi ere ma wo akonya so betwa from 1 Ghana cedi ekokura 350 Ghana cedi na wenia ye times 2 e dia ma na nema de so etimi ere amount ye pick one game no and a game pack for the ababebaze no open chemu bia betimi akọ mo site wo wakwa kutwa no ho www.gamepackgames.com www.gamepackgames.com ani yiseme wo mre say yes your mom draw no ye twi ne premier san na se bokita phone bia ene network bia usu na pese simple mawa obeda star 946 hash star 946 hash wo rom na bo ma ne makoye da mom draw no amutwi ne prensa anopa ne 9 o'clock am ewia no 12 p.m. na fe numero no 6 p.m. live on Adum TV ntie kom sabia ni no akọ juice ka anya numfie du wotwe a emfa ho hiem na enele ajoma tumti agro ne from ramuna yemwa na totu ande da yesoro entimi emfa ma bretu esemenka emfa nchoze nyambo ochena edi ramu ya woda no international break na ko etimi ere apembara store o akonya so obeto afọ no akọ chewa dwe na so no wetimi atwa di ni kese pa www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh the yan se wenya eredu mfie du nwotwe me patro uroma akonya ne do de mouse so no obo modern wadi no mo se no mabomoden edi the golden booking code no abababazo okọ bebi a ya twa 100% wo mo site no so kreke so a obehu the golden booking code no fa Ejibi fimu emfa bi nka ho na twa from 1 Ghana ko ne kokura mo 50 Ghana na yediwa ye bo modern osika no ye sa return etimi ere ma onya ne bebi a jese bretu omo na de sa antoto no etimi aba nature medis consult ye de nupa na bedwa ma so njo de akọ na kokogye na senete ye wo gasto mixture o ye fumu haw eyo ya ulcer na edunya oji gasto mixture ebeboa na yisa haw ni nyina etimi ere fi na super effective ejuma ebo ano eden dodo ena afi so no ye wo menso plus mixture eno no ye baby girls no mo de bosome so obun se mba ye ne ka odwe ena afa se ona ebisi basa ya na kwadwo mo ne ya mo ba behwa hono enhyeda nenti omode nti omeko barunya menso plus mixture na ewe na aboa na isa ha no nyina fi ofa na bai na nkomo bia ne mpemfo ndi 0248 778 899 0248-778-899 Mr. Abo Kumasi Jeffreba o mankesi pene aba Cape Coast Nindia aba Takrade ena nana boache aba enso Accra tema Ekus Pharmacy ewa Shama yanjibi wono nembwa na niam de di mema aba mamira na mi rom na me kora mom na so meche sika LT said they see at no Sompa sika promotion me pacho uyusumo mo nko ade a qualify na nkofu edi sika ofi apantine fa hu me simple obeda star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash me pacho yusumo ma udam de wo me se okwa ye wo Sompa Kumase Sompa Sunyane ena fe Sompa Nkranza mo Sunyane patamone fa Sunyane mo Isbono no mo fa Nkranza no mo hwe mu Kumase ene asante patani bebia no onso wa fa Kumase ntifa code neto e star 256 star 3 hash ba ku bi 5 Ghana utwa no dodo no na unya sika be boa wane makoe ama me say smart no tactics we ya na edi ram ti Sompa sika promotion ye je adwa tifa code no *256* free hash ni enram open na bibi aboko de
oh bra nyame adom na also
oh men so me wadem pa me say umre ni etu da mami jama na afi to aso
right brother siaso na no pay na ye be breaking it down na ye touching it down na ye knocking it down ye nyada jejam yompo e wa mono nsem na atoche ye on Facebook Sompa 93.1 FM like na share wa dwinkyere bia no wo de to beji brebe kenkan so edama ye nshansam na simfra bibram ha ni nyina opiem 54-year-old Spanish coach ye friend Juan Carlos Garrido in front Juan Carlos Garrido or no and I'm ready to what did Nadi Elali etimiji a calf confederation cup meno kasaya and no pema USM OGS etimi announce no as from the appointment or matimi adamano as a fine kono and them fatwe USM OGS no fam wadwuma no panyu baby bremha and your first timer obe coach African club near utwem Nadi Elalia or domaji calf confederation cup and what no utwa etwo du Sahel wa coach omo pen Reja Casablanca wa coach omo pen Ismaili Sansura without Casablanca onyina wa ya adwuma opiamo ju eya Al Ain also coach omo emrebo coach Villarreal e La Liga no and was coach Real Betis or your pen bia or experience near and no opiamo tima your friend USM Ojesa ho and a 54-year-old Spanish coach ya Juan Carlos Garrido well coach am bare fine young was Zimbabwe na Zimbabwe so far World Cup qualifiers for 2026 omo ever against Nigeria no omo som dom home game abe pem Kigali Rwanda yam sasa day ni nyina so pem Zimbabwe omo som stadium Saudua e was Zimbabwe no e dey so pem CAF mpanyimfo e call for inspection enya dey say omo timi inspect stadium sinibia no omo timi choose back kra as a criteria ni state no etimi was to World Cup qualifier game and ntino some home games on betra Kigali or Rwanda no more point game against Super Eagles of Nigeria babo e wo Kigali or Rwanda and no e de fro eba me jamu edama mu na no pai eso dwumade ni so ye gusu tinkonwa so ye breaking no down attaching no down e jamu yompo mami ntinsim eneme na e se Ghana ye japade no e ho ene yakoma wo the Black Stars of Ghana United States of America and nana do 12:30 and a game be to dwa na pema koda ba ko ne mame ne papa efi Ghana ha na so international team no obo edima United States of America na koda me kana seme yeven Eunice Musa wakasa dia for game and Ghana ni US be boni intense mo di tudwa.
It's really special because a lot of people from the Ghanaian community are going to be watching this game, knowing that I was eligible to play for Ghana and I have roots from there. So yeah, it's a special game because I have a lot of family as well from Ghana, so they're all going to be watching.
And you had some Ghanaian food?
Tetia Eunice Musa was say on no Ghana nanko kwanya eso se academy the Black Stars of Ghana and ye rezino na abrabo ne shebre and na amana sasani suwa obopo edma United States of America o wabusan bebre e wo Ghana ha o namfo bebre and the o jema botan Madalanda e ye Ghana no o jide mapasa busuan no eso betimo hwe no a game be very interesting eso diama no enu ensamo dia tudwa na yengo mo the elephant of la Côte d'Ivoire and omu jankono a friendly gamer omni bafana and the epim so na pem the Ivory Coast omu football federation at the statement about a press release sene omu take it omu invite omu eso be pema baby again be to start Felix Ofe Bonyon Stadium omu mrame boduma ometwe stadium no meta omachi na eba VIP Sunday Boston cinema or Metram Chama Bipia and yet come out Upemo Ivory Coast on Football Federation or press releaser or Mudia Babon Teno now Kopema South Africa Bafana or Mutrain and Romuya here I was starred Felix or Fe Bonyon or Kopemo Sa Stadium and Rob Bafana let me training no Mutrain Omuyano na Esawanina and Sao Catcher no man now Koye or Johnny and Sompa TV so no or Facebook at the time no man the time kama the player Bakwa on was second South Africa or Sam Podma Orlando Pirates where striker your friend Zakele La Pesa or no Martin drop and I could so penina or no Eya Jumadman South Africa or national team your friend who got bruised said Dennis ya what a boy drop Lenyantia as a clash here with the boy in Church Mubeni.
You know, we said it already. September and October were months to prepare the team for the qualifiers and also for AFCON, and we needed strong opponents. So we had already won, not the strongest, but a strong team with DRC, and tomorrow we have one of the strongest in Africa. So it's a good test for us, and for me the most important thing is to do a good performance. The result, okay, I don't want to defeat a big.
And no, yes, South Africa, or more boss, even who got Bruce, and I'll tell you also on a financial on a clash, the most important thing. Send them game against the elephant, you know, a good performance, and obey here. Now, game against Eswatini, near from Swaziland, you know, results are no pen in Sanka, also prepared to me, and we and some pure tuga, now and watch Yente Bafana, almost striker, you have a Lebo Motiba. On Sudin Sempi, to Jaffa Gamer, and the Omu Baba Bono, a friendly game, and an Opema Bafana, Baba Bo, na strike cannon summer, or the two Jana no dene, ne Musuo Cham, was in there, Omu Ebesi form, Omu Chasa preparation, no Mabet Makoye, as so at the Amawomo, Yente do the count.
Big team with very good players, most of them they play in Europe. So it's going to be a very good game for us and a good test for us because, as the coach said, Ivory Coast the candidate to win the AFCON next year. So it's a very
and we AFCON and one bit tocha and so many Quenya be PMO Ivory Coast or some to normal ye game be interesting diamo and no edeba mami embamnya jumamao Ghanaian nase Nigeria brantia waye alata yao ye van Victor Osimhen obeka na me breaking it down to my as a boy nepra ampa so far confirmation from Napoli aba as a Victor Osimhen we pra na obetina febe 1 month and so back what Nemo Pemo UEFA Champions League game at Napoli, but Pemo Benabao, the meetings are Brantano were doubtful. I was a game and no idea Bami Jamo, as so at Damamo, Mamma Fan Jose Mourinho, a manager at the Metrofan AS Roma, the Metso Penino, season Panavia Pen contractor, one Roma one, as so up Panavia, and yet the sofa renewal talks, Air Coso, Mourinho Betim the Jumanatua, no free Roma Bobo Konom. And no sofa latest me touching it down as well diamond open sofa betting scandals egusa etoja e was Serie A nom a Brantana ni din edika toja e ya Brante Fagioli or Bo Edmond Juventus or Kopemo da Azuri scam am I yet in a drop because of say or boy investigation na so for them sanwa ni lawyers no and if you drop prosecutors office as well share your meeting e wo Italy them it's a Brante sofa statement Eba and say or person or Kobe sabbatical leave be when you answer the rest of the season. That's what home now team investigation. So there be a betting issues or no a betting football. I must say Sabin Sempi and I'm no Ebano or betma Abaman Shemuno as what my conkain and no idea by ye jamo as so Adamamo you shooting Konyaso Mamimo Iro and the matches outdoor air toga above 4 p.m. and you Finland Kazakhstan and the epim so and what says 45 England Wembley Omoni Italy and Elbo referee from France yeah Clement Tapin or no any jam our side game no na upema openina even Gareth Southgate akasa at their first game and never took down yenten sama Gareth Southgate attitude.
We're in a strong position now and we've still got a little bit to do, so we haven't done it yet. But yeah, qualification, it's like tournaments. We're watching a Rugby World Cup which has had 4 incredible quarter-finals, but the best 2 teams in the world have gone out in terms of rankings. That's how hard it is. You have to deliver at those moments. So many things and factors come into it. So that is the challenge of international sport, really.
Gareth Southgate no about qualification to Euros no na osi so far aka krabi no manya wie no be na we 2 teams by Euros omo ne hia fana etim ebadwuma na omo twa se bia be kwanu na opanyi never Luciano Spalletti ono NL boss Edma Italy omo national team ono so akasa about the inspirations omo be take from the fana na to Wembley Euro 2020 omo chi omo ye friend England etim yenten sama Luciano Spalletti attitude
in front of the TV, and I think that was a unique sequence of events. That was a unique story and history for all of those involved, all of those that had the good fortune to be there, and they deservedly won Euro 2020. So I don't think it would necessarily be fair to draw comparisons, but we do want to be inspired.
Enu yan somebody to ese ohwe Euro final Euro 2020 Wembley omu England ese omu di crew ana omu take inspirations e dey from no chire busan sana akoda na even Sandro Tonali woni Nicolo Zaniolo tifri na omu free Italy squad no eno so ahamu ana.
Sì, è stato un trauma per la squadra perché poi
It was traumatic for the team because we had the authorities almost coming into the dressing room. So everyone was surprised, everyone was upset, but we had almost a whole day from when we said goodbye to them, and some of us even were able to give
or say a traumatic Ningana Sausha na omu beboba de a betting scandals e wo no na so mo investigations na so fe probable lineup no bibien so mo be sha said ya mafa no ene daso no opiemu na se goalkeeper Jordan Pickford Sasra Kawoka yebenya Kieran Trippier yebenya John Stones Harry Maguire yebenya Declan Rice Calvin Phillips na yenya Foden na yenya Harry Kane na yenya Jude Bellingham and Rashford omu lead attack at the England yebenya Stefan El Shaarawy yenya Lucas Kamaka na yenya Abraham Berardi ombe sube lead attack dama Italy na yenya Brand Cristante na yenya Fratesi na yebenya Abraham Nicolo Barella na wakwenya Lorenzo Di Lorenzo no na Emrante Demna Donnarumma at that na Achebi eso ginachiro na so mo bama biaso e fine at dama Italy and you turn a World Cup I bet 2026 no I can 168 days na World Cup no it me asha say United States of America Canada and Mexico na first casualty team odikanya qualifiers wanya film no okopemo Asia first round of the qualifiers no anya chance na team ye from Guam they say aggregate wise 3-1 and Singapore at damom so far the first nation team from World Cup qualifiers as ya Guam no edefro eba ye jejamu edamom na no pai e wo dwumadi no so ye gusuti nkonya so na Ballon d'Or anopam de tuanim so Roma Messi and AJ October we official announcement from France Football Magazine ebetima ba na Messi gino mema no na komana Barcelona babawa ye friend Arena Bonmati ono so AJ edo emana shiem eno ene daso kama eno edeba na Belgium urama enwa gamer na bag against Sweden first half anopembe adwuma pima o se first half bana we na 1-1 second half players in from Sweden and Belgium so biem 45 minutes before the kickoff at Rencham said terror attack upon ISIS member Bakwa your friend Abdul Salam etimi ekum Sweden fans per reporter eba from Belgian prosecutors as a Brent back Ghana exchange etuo na oni a police for exchange no ama injury second to awu eno so far report fro eba ye jejamu eso edama na no pai e wotumadie no so ye gusu tinkonwa so mame and touch way down and knock way down and from some sunkuma lewa Ronaldo ne football career goals awashenie so far we bought 1188 games and a Ronaldo double was 859 goals and why assist 243 so far 112 minutes per goal binesa diete eso eno 88 minutes biano onya goal contribution one shegu assist and you sunkuma lewa Ronaldo now say in 3 different decades in here Ronaldo goals awashenie from 2000s ever see 2010 was 40 and I say goals Ronaldo no was 206 goals and what you know where 2010 to 2020 was 550 goals and now Pima 2020 ever see 2023 no 102 goals now Ronaldo as what much now most international wins or national teams are or mama winning more games you know Sergio Ramos 131 was Spain Ronaldo 123 Portugal Iker Casillas 121 and no Deba now Pima Yamfan 20 as 12 different calendar year Ronaldo ama goals grano 40 goals in the year Ronaldo bet me diama or 2023 so far 40 goals in Washe where 2020 was 47 goals 2020 Ronaldo was 44 goals 2018 49 goals 2017 53 goals 2016 55 goals 2015 57 goals 2014 61 goals 2023 69 2012 63 2011 60 2010 48 goals 12 different calendar years Ronaldo answer goals grano 40 goals there wo betimi adama o premo prize on network bako ye from Disola sin central from ye bonia for so ko MLS no na say Messi etimi eshego e wa MLS ma Messi o genius no na Ronaldo be shego etia Bosnia on a team senior week and a team so mo nya de no e de ba na ko Peruvians Peru for na bo 2 a.m. Messi World Cup qualifier against Esa Peru for now and upon be prepare na omo show support at the ama Messi omu kwani Jesse and in the banner no crowd no say Messi, I love you more than my dad. I love you more than my dad. And what you know, Mammy banana duffum no. I just want to support Emma Messi. Not do my channel banana at duffum no. Almost say banana Messi, hello champion. Messi, hello champion. And I know so no. Or my team trauma bibia. As well as kama and no ya dawa ya dimamu adagula. Good news aba at the ama adagula. Ninana so kopema. I dare say after international break against Sevilla, or bet me any debut game. I bought at Dama Rima the setback. A Piasso to me ama and no at the tower. Yet the Emma Munano pay El Jumadian Sukaku Medicina Rico bet song. Was some papa? Since I open more Cameroon, Domitable Lions of Cameroon, or Mudia joined by a man on about 16 games. 16 games are Rigobert Song as the manager, what the Cameroon Abono were winning just 4 pay, were draw 5 and were lose 7, were Zupe Papa and no Edia Dawa, ya the Emam El Jumadian, so na and some Ahudua, ya Bob Banano pay El full time so no, ya breaking that touching it down, Yan Fansana Brigafon for Diacanano and Trosso Emamo.
With max payouts that reach into the millions. All in the palm of your hand. Visit betway.com.gh. Terms and conditions apply. Betway is regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Bet responsibly. Betway. Bet your way.
Yaba Sompa Achedie 2023 Bible say Nyame Sompa pani say ubi ko nyanka ene ewisia mob enuti Sompa 93.1 Kumase Sompa 90.7 Enkransa Sompa 98.9 Sunyane yakabom se bronyen yebema enwisia ene ekrafo edidi na yenko ayetimi age se wo beboa yen enti se yesika fatu ahomatrofo iso 0598 5598 0598-02. Meeting Mubium 0598-559802. Edia was Tara 1 Media. Na November Bosomeno. Nide Dikain. And a yetro a crafonidin. And it's our own cransa. Now Ukrainian. Cotrouding. I was Sompa and cransa. GCB a Danimua. Oh, Sunyane Soa. Cotrouding. I was Sompa Sunyane. Night market wa. Na Kumasidi. A crafonina baby tro on wooding. I was Swami. And in hotel dear no she eye busumi du ba kono ne de di kan na dwumadie no ankasa de bronya busumi ne de to so aduonu ba ko ne bebodwa trada na de amode tom ye no ye de ama ekunafo yi wo de bibi wo 1 million what about akoko me ba to akoko na de abomo no so eni anwa ne saji si no so nyame nhira mo pa mo ya de pa na yesika na ye tuma so a wo betimi de aba afenso say niema bi ense ye ti say mo eni anwa so a ye beji mo amu ye bi afie twem no emu adanse de mo amunim Sompa achede 2023 ebusuafo yamfa ye ho hyem na propose prempa oboadu ponko mu ye nyankopon obeyiye wiye Sompa achede 2023 ekunafo eni enyanka ne so wo mu bediti
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance na ma na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko bebia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or network bia so straight direct sharp enti say water provisions fuel inro inuane me kire say bia opese wo ye bia no Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma o ye hia obeya de say obe dial *110# na tua ka ko merchant bia ho e wo network bia so Nia Vodafone. And then me man ababa you wo te wo kon make sure so the 5 place aduane no ebe 5 kwasa wo wi a make sure say me wo corner ho no mo so me di abana bi o aduane mi bi di ti mi ensa ano ho echi me ya Je gasto me share idea with church. We am ya we ye dwa. Aduane to yamu a. Ya. Etumi ma ofe. When it is so a. Eyasem. Odo, me kan for gasto me chama. No gasto me say. Wo ho bet so. Is it funny? No, oh my God. Is it funny? Open it. Do support to a friend. 0233 302000. Enya mapin for. Nkwada wanya mfie dumienu. Ni wona wa mankwada nufu. FDA agedwedie nkrato ya tum say ye. Gasto Mr. Ya flu ya diedro. Esikafo wo krom wo den yi ana nanse edidi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba besin in terms of fefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo den se because wo ka champa tie company ni din en e frɛ 52 estate construction oh I see what on sase en adan amanso ni ho en wo si adan so ton wo san manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bi ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bretwam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design in your fabie mu a mo nyese bi mbobu dan nyina guo ba se do besia ye dan modern wan hwe wanka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Gimpa Achimata Road 0556 72 33 38 and the Kumasenso page 4 and 12 Road over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyina so at 52 estates.
Alright, your bubble day now, ye TV to us, so my Krakovia Jenfia Bana, a room kama perform, and a quick one, Ricardo. Mami, we back, we special yana, member Bobo Swana, Yanko, near Romo, Ti Akosia Beauty, who are rich Mokibia, Honana Akusia, Wanti, wow, Mami, Madame Victoria, say special. Nkwenfa Makusia na Enayo Danyaminshia Papa. So special one in Remo Emfa Emma Papa na Niamandida Dinamo champion divine clinic Semenka Emfa Encho Zinibra Nabra Bi Remo Masuiza Meka Zemito Moso Ana Masori Nyomwa Ekane Mentiasi be 2011-2012 no Omadaro mana minya hodini na zero mu buejuma ennupa no omoma bibinum nye na afi machines awdo na ye di doso sumi eboa ma ne makoye pretimere na senete sciatica wa transiache amato sintine twetwon oyoba fibroid edunya ana afo oyoba orenko focus ye to a eromuri mema di ehyiamu eboa ma omunya ba no nko ade no eye prebo zena asan pia fa ho na de haw kakra etimi aba wa peba onya bi nam ya so edunya ana afi diabetes pressure asthma eno nanche hepatitis no ekunkofo pa na stroke ina Remo champion divine clinic omaso ya yebabo na wajiwa ya isana ne makuye pa e amomozu ni omo edinkita obi na skase bi aba be rama sebizebio okọ wanza mozo okọ akutwa be ma wenye ntwa opieto ni de enkam ntine ba na senhye no ankosoro osi pena yebe sandu sika no etimi ama back omonko a ene bo mode sound to no 2.1 akoma se New Orleans na Jeze McLean Hotel kwan no so no obenye omo oro ni chemu akra tantra he ho omo ebo ejuma difa kuma Sena manona mo amoni omuni nkomo 054-8593-968 054-8593-968 na 024-4230-535 024-4230-535 ni ambwa na ne mandeda yesoro etimi afama kama na hihye no enko ye afama Lucas Travel Consult Zebra na manone nkomo omo no yabo modern ye ntutue ni ya ne kono ye simple Canada USA UK France Greece Germany Netherlands and Africa to Australia do beko akwa ramu na yesu kusua de scholarship ye beboa agibidi ama okwa yejuma ye bedu wanim na wenye juma pa etimi aye no so echi no de mo de ne ye de ne se mpo ni ska afre na ne omo nkasa ne ye bibia wie no wababa betwa osika ajo passport no zen ne ope passport birth certificate bank statement no ye du juma etimi de amount omo number ni 0534 543 543-210 Tamago City no obo modena nyetimi enyomo yeze Ghana yepe nkofo wonim de wo se edwuma we ho marketing manager sales personnel receptionist administrators shop attendant house help and afia accountant ne de kaka ho anti romuna yemwana ne mandida di meziana bibia boko de nyame adomahwe ni experience abuja bibia de dedi wa wo the group na to so family mu kaka ne we heroes ne said ne me no way so ade ne ya kawo
no way what opportunity so mbetimi akwakobo the playoffs. On say the qualification format of Euro 2024. No, on say 24 nations. Already host nation Germany. Germany don't know what they can qualify with. So the 23 teams now akasombe qualify kako kan no. The group phase, you know, on say 53 member associations and the UEFA. Now 53 ni yecho mumu into 10 groups. Emu 7 na nkasa no 5 teams in the womb. Ana dia kan ya chiche ni 6 teams no so wase o so press o so bebo e dia qualify dia call manim na enumu na abudia bi se ye wi a top 2 ni nyina be qualify from each group which means 20 na sa kwakoka 3 e ba kwakoka 20 no plus host nation na sa 24 na so pepepe 83 no ana mbeba Nations League also mu Nations League no ye wo League A League B League C League D enumu no ma chiche mu League A1 League A2 League A3 by when the aye ni nyina to abom se League A, League B, League C, League D no. Enum ni afa League A, ni afa League B, ni afa League C, ni afa 4 top ranked teams. Ewo League A, 4 top ranked teams. Ewo League B, 4 top ranked teams. Ewo League C. No ma bo mo ho. Omo ba de obe top group ni bia na League A, League B, League C no. And obe top na na so be PF no. Ni afa mu bia ba ko. Omiensa. No ma ko kan. No ma so 24 no. Wow. So Norway the opportunity so betimi qualify because Norway finding itself group B and I say League B. It in terms of rankings only from cry. You will be more come rank chain. Norway now are qualified at that. It's a basana say the panel sport in the cry the day. You push into Norway betimi finding itself in that particular zone playing for the playoffs. So obetimi dia ba. But as it stands in Scotland and Spain and obetimi advancing in that particular A group A. Now group B no hana kakra because France are qualified. Now Netherlands ni Greece and let me say mu ya den kakra. Ahano obi abebo 8 matches. Because 5 in a group it took us over 1 more into 4 away 4 home into 8 matches. 8 matches. The Nippon on any premier Greece no about 7 matches. Netherlands no about 6, but Netherlands no 12, Greece was 7. And one of say Greece. Now people are complaining say Ronald Koeman the performance and the nyoma bi shedam koyi ye bebe no so a area group na ye be attending to some of these key issue. Netherlands were advantage say or 1 game eda baby e no na ehome apart from the last game ebeka oni Greece na be bo mu na ba be epe. It only 2 games at hand, Greece were 1 game at hand. It no and be decided in that particular plot. Netherlands beat me akwana say Greece and ebeko in that aspect. Omu nyina with the same point. And one Netherlands show more Emma points from Benya. Then Group C, England were 13 points, were about 5 matches. Italy about 5 matches or 10 points. Ukraine about 6 matches or 10 points. Malta and Malta they saw under 0. Then North Macedonia it was 7 points. In this aspect, England and qualify, Italy and qualify, Ukraine and qualify. Macedonia crana carry 2 matches or kaka 13. It's approximately to England or that top need the bed this will be me what I say. But on more realistic so make me qualify no. England, Italy, Ukraine automatic qualification they bet me from me now Abu Dhabi in this aspect Italy were 3 games at hand, Ukraine were 2 games at hand, England were 3 games at hand. Then now Ukraine can probably more than not say Ukraine no ebeko 7 games. Then say England Italy subo no next step. And also sad game no yebeba so. Group D, Turkey. Ejina Turkey was 16 points. Turkey their qualification in the Abu Dhabi as it stands there.
Omunya.
Turkey enya. Omunya qualification. And over on Wakana 1 game. Aka Wales 2 matches. Aka Croatia 2 matches.
That's also Croatia omutiki count.
Croatia and Wales. Omunya so about 6 matches each. Aka obia 2 games somewhere there. Ombebo and they be determined baby obesity and then ako na Abu E ni there me say notable nation woman on qualify na Albania qualify and also push ahead of even Poland to qualify in this particular group now check so any abrace on so betima qualify by check any Poland and pre e ha F no na Albania Belgium so qualify e dey call Austria and no mo bom ho modern o ma silly qualification so ato so mo so e call manim Sweden playoffs no and betimi aboa Sweden aspect. Group G, Hungary were 13, Serbia were 10, then Montenegro, and then Serbia Montenegro.
And then Serbia and Montenegro. After that game, no, so there is a new Serbia and Montenegro. Am I am ready to no more? No more. And I'm no
watch it. And I'm paying bedja. It's Hungary there, Abu. Also no at the test one more, so they qualify for then Slovenia and Denmark. Abu they found their way there. Yes, Oma qualify. It's Finland. Playoffs no behind and no Kazakhstan mo and a then Romania. That team we Abu so Kai Romania.
Finland group na
Finland group no.
Obebone.
Finland bebone.
They also renew Obeba 15 points.
Obeba 15, but Denmark was 16. Slovenia so.
That's still Finland for now.
There be Finland Finland beba 15.
But still okay. The
last game no. The last game no.
Then Eka.
Why they Puki we just want to play playoff, no go play we chiro go play bibo. Timo Puki. Now Abu say Romania assemble can Babeka. Omo one national team and dem be a FIFA ranking na top 10 mu. Ba uhuru mo. Example ba ku nie, omo na top your group no. Omo lose one single game.
We need 4 no more.
Omo we need 4 no more draw 4, 16 points. Omo the call. They are qualified.
Wow.
Unless it said by last minute, no, Israel to me winning the 2 games now can in end of about 17 points.
It will be 2 no.
Over 2 no.
Wow.
It's Abu Group J. Portugal, the say Roberto Di Martinez actually watch. Now had the 32 goals. Over course the 2 pay.
Wow.
First half from Musha Bosnia 5. So I have group in Slovakia so and Luxembourg. One nation at this year. What had been panning? It had to take last minute goal from Slovakia to make sure someone secure the win against Luxembourg.
Group J
but Luxembourg in terms of a playoffs no. Almost beba. Abu, na see Remo akwakosha de kakra wa hanoma. Netherlands, really by 1 goal to 0 by last minute. Guspoet the Greece for us on pen and pen chinabi. But I'm really surprised. A coach or buy and on the win percentage and answer the points per game was rotated the previous coach. The previous coach in 1.62 on the bench 1.78. But after this game, no one said there be encore. no be from Bayed man. It surprises me a lot. But it raises another question. The entire Netherlands have to struggle at this stage and make sure somebody they are qualified. Now there is a lot of pressure on Ronald Koeman. We have Van Dijk Bejina on because Vegas the Kenya first party bottle train. Onya na no on the strike open as and pass with Vegas. Enyen chain. But oye no the tone chain. Ronald Koeman ne performance in your ma ye hwe ni mu so betima dan de dia ma Netherlands no. Enye consistent. Na manfo e wo susuye bi se oba national team ni bibia na ne o ma hye dan nyina ye mfa mo. Despite qualifying them to Euro 2020, Emirates fit on the qualify omo de omo koye. But Odi no so to nchen there are certain results be a otimi nya edebo omo. But we the track record in terms of being a Netherlands manager. Abu, the previous year by from 2018 to 2019 no. Obo out of 20 matches so we need 11 or draw 5 elusu 4. Now, the points per match are 1.90. This time around, after 8 matches, we're winning 4 elusu 4. So there's a huge concern. But Netherlands 4 will believe we say I feel a bit my own because the last time Omuji Euros was back in 1988. 1988 Ruud Gullit, Marco van Basten, Frank Rijkaard, all on this particular setup ni na Ronald Koeman lead the team ni omutimije. Omu hosting when West Germany.
Oh, okay.
This time around Germany they host Euros. So omuji to me say Ronald Koeman the omukwa ono na asase no so the last time omuji Euros no the omukwa je. It way or the omukwa kopie mu ono mo betima magic the amomo. So no matter what will happen, they know say they will qualify despite the bad results na tertiary kakra no because of Ronald Koeman. It in Netherlands for GD ni na e ho na gina. Roberto Martinez 8 out of 8. But the big question we are raising here say players will improve your more Belgium national team no betima be able Portugal na. The only thing missing in his cabinet at Belgium was a trophy.
Yes.
But of making sure so get to move closer, especially to the World Cup, Abraham also third, bronze medal. And also buying a Belgium bear the highest ranked national team we are at a point in time. First, no one dropping my third for FIFA. They be our first and second, so it tells you about the standard of the Omokoye. Now, people someone will say, who has become the star man of this particular Portuguese side, even under him? Me, I will say it point blank, said the best player for Portugal at the World Cup was Bruno Fernandes.
Yes.
In terms of assist, anyhow the contribution is it here. You remember Cristiano Ronaldo has pick it up. Or pick it up, Bruno Fernandes in the combination, so he's trying to build a Romelu Lukaku, Kevin De Bruyne partnership. Or Belgium, the same thing or Portugal. Said about making the trophy. Can Portugal help him to win trophy? Your national teams be one ma. Okwa, we a good partner. What's a national team? The one house with me a day. AGBB opposite to say club side. Your club be one of my coaches being yard, but one of my club no piano. No team trophy. Now with Bruno Fernandes, now Abu Dhabi, you definitely have to understand the way to buy the records in there. As a when SSC a catcher. But with Bruno Fernandes, Obedia Tum say under him. The records need to saying goes to send Oshanda Martinez. Can he be the Kevin De Bruyne he wants? Yes, because Oba, Bruno Fernandes 1, 2, 5, 7 assists, 5 goals for Bruno Fernandes under Roberto Martinez. But o check Kevin De Bruyne in the 15-16 season. I pay over 5 weeks back at Man City no. Open what my body development pass in terms of how they see the game. Untimi Roberto Martinez in Fanny Free.
Yes.
Because the peak of it at the national team now. Roberto Martinez by far Belgium team in 2016. So between 2016 and 2023, you who the peak of Kevin De Bruyne. Or national team at level one drop it. Or back club side at level one can say improve. Meaning because it said Roberto Martinez is a student of Johan Cruyff. And on the club side, Pep Guardiola is a student of Johan Cruyff total football. So these are players are coaches are at the national team, they will benefit from them. Or back club side, so the same coach has the same philosophy, and also bit my benefit. So they have to me to turn in your year. Then Bruno Fernandes from be had to pay for some time now. Uncle national team maybe and also mutimi peja. Neboa Emmanuel Makoye Edema Ed Manchester United. Now Abu Dhabi.
Why?
And the match in here. Empire Bedra. Luciano Spalletti in the biggest game of Bobo as a coach ever saw by first one for the national team of Boboni against England. Now Abu Dhabi in this particular game we expect Kieran Trippier, Pickford, Maguire, John Stones, Kyle Walker, Bellingham, Rice, Alexander Trent, Arnold, Foden, Harry Kane, and Marcus Rashford to start for them. Then on the other side of Italy, Yebenya Donnarumma, Di Marco, Bastoni, Mancini, Di Lorenzo, Barella, Locatelli, Fratesi, Keane, Rassadori, and Berardi. But Abu Dhabi, way Italy winner only England points in the 13-13. But Adebakwe record in this particular game say in the last 6 games between Italy and England, England intimidate Italy.
So where did the mind like?
The moment and no matches no so type produce draw. Yes. Omo games a whole draw na type produce draw. So this is a game a goal scoring draw. But if there's going to be a slim winner, Abu will go for England this time around.
Mati, Biggie, Akwaba.
Abu,
Pombo called it. Nezo, you have a cocota na Kisa. Mati,
Belgium development in any way. You see, Yakabi say and Newton's laws, you know. The third one, to every action, there is an equal action or reaction. There's a BBA or Bayabiano who say, say, at the papa, definitely the offshoot never ban a positive. Say, at the Bonia, you expect something similar. May cardia train dream the see the a cause of Belgium and where they can fire, but since it happened during a football event which is sports related, I was say, I can't want some, not one else in Yanti, I see a woman. Now there is a beginning to all this. Sabe, Aquano Koyasa, excuse me to say, in some huno. When Fiti Prekono Kofa in allow Wakubaro to tutu. Good. The Quran crescent or the Quran crisis. It started in Scandinavia.
Oh, okay.
Typically Sweden, Denmark, to be precise. There was an Iraqi Christian beer or a refugee or Iraqi Assyrians, maybe. You were Turkish Assyrians. Or belong to a set group of Christians or beliefs no more practices no and yet typical to say any type of Christianity then or no area refugee or seeking asylum I was Sweden. Your friend of Sawan Momika now a Christosum no de call Sweden of course this is don sumnya maybe on atheist on June declass and on June 28th that di ladder no. And I wouldn't call police for a permit. See a man a Quenya, no Kojina, the Stockholm Mosque, the biggest mosque in Sweden. Kojina how far ne a year way no megaphone. Na Quran no Sebe or yen your man semfata with the Holy Quran. Or ye no charge to no shake Quran. Oh, yep, on bet me show video no. So this is a year Sawan Momika. And another for Baku can have any Sawan Najem. Nti Quran no mo body ball nti we tiaso no wato akoha hwe so desecrating a religion fine no problem oye Christoni wejai wonji ndi krasa nyankopon wo ho wejai obia medi watem allow. I don't know why people cannot be religiously tolerant. They wuji di no fanisa
yeah na fire wijma
but membe di me di atem
dabi
so they desecrated the Holy Quran. It didn't end there. Or sounds quite a similar one. Then it sparked a series of events. A month forward, desecrating Muslim religion, Islam, and then there was desecrating the Holy Quran. Main Quran, there were 7 reported incidents triggered by these. Into from June 28, it did July.
Oh, okay.
But when it's it was inspired by a politician on a Dane Swede or a year Sweden ho, your friend Rasmus Paludan. Rasmus Paludan and so quiet protest and no charge at all a year a Quran mo. Or no crowd or no the Turkish embassy. Or what me the Rasmus Paludan picture to so. No charge at a Quran. So I don't know why people don't really want to respect the views, the beliefs, and then the choices of others. So far as say a infringe on right. Say osi obesum Allah or ye cremonia. Menya shows we do atema myself that's what I wouldn't need. And I wouldn't that. So these acts were perpetrated. A trigger certain Muslims across board to also mount demonstrations or protests against their custom because they expect to say Sweden abino and they will protect the interests of Muslims and they won't allow xenophobic actions to say we know what it does is that it preaches hatred for a religion and then it also enhances xenophobia. In Quran yechejatum now oko a certain Muslim countries in Pakistan for instance almost a year protests against a year omo support yomo the Sweden America flag Sweden flag and the Israel flag can omo so as year the almost person so just one single act of excuse me to say stupidity
akofa same be
exactly
na di nipa bi bra bo ma ba bi hia
good now the spillover and say kiye na yenim say nketwem so July, August, September ba October ba ye be rem November entinka we den here we are nisa and some match ba so between Belgium and Sweden na Koran ahye no esi na Tunisia ni a ono so kosiki asylum or Belgium no kra no yanjena ntumo. So he's basically an illegal way a immigrant on enamo only purpose into only purpose Abdul Salam last word say makofa to alcohol Sweden for me into mala. Come on, you see why fight for a God who is powerful?
Yes.
Exodus 14:14 or saying Osimu nsuma me kwa mama mo kama ntuma na me bo. Quran nankasa no. Eye Surah Al-Baqarah. Quran chapter 2 no. The Haifa. 2190 say ye nya bre ya kinkan a Quran 2190 ne say fight in the cause of Allah only against those who wage war against you. But do not exceed the limit. Allah does not like transgressors. Na say wo ko ekon de ama Allah onyankopon no hwe no wantieti obi fa hodie so ana wankoye boni entia obi na excuse me to say o aye Abdul Salam aye Sweden for me no okoshutu omo no omo ma shikoran
dabi
boni be no ma yetia no
dabi
so aye senseless aye we no mo ye no and people believe too much in religion that they lose their common sense.
Yes,
religion no Karma says something. Religious suffering is at one and at the same time the expression of real suffering and then a protest against real suffering. Due to religion, obitimi tweja to ni humu because oye protest etia injustice.
Yeah.
Why would you put yourself through suffering to protest against suffering? Yes, your God that yourself is all powerful, true or false, or you're omnipotent, anameboa, onimbi or you're omniscient. I don't think that was a wuni padasinia, Sabi, I did not hear ball. When I saw Kokunyanko Pone Komano.
Dabi.
I don't see how this happens. Kamas Nabium. Religion is a sign of the oppressed creature. Oh, yeah, Titia me found who and yeah. Memfa Christo so memfa Muslimi so memfa way. Na men found come from a fan who die. It's the sign of the oppressed creature. Religion is the heart of the heartless soul. Akwa we ade okoye no nyansenim and oyobia owo nipa ho abadaye owo nipa ho atenka omfatu omfansi wonua so pepe nkono wabra wonnim sa wonua no waye bone bi etia o because you are fighting for a religion. Religion is the soul of the soulless conditions, and then it is the opium of the masses. Sebe omo a omo ni bie no omo na de bia no they tilt more towards religion. Religion is their hope. Religion is not hope, a spirituality. Let us be very much commonsensical. The greatest asset God gave you is your brain, not a religious book. So this is not a Muslim problem. An act of stupidity by a former Christian, now atheist, triggered this thing. So mami are limited to just Islam and no, for the omo pentokwa e ye nipa bi asebe omo nim nyansa no omo nim nyame no omo yesa useless
faso bi ni
obi kwa akohwe ne ball unnim baby ofri say owo mma say oye den say mafatuo dia ball because obi ahye Quran o baby. Oh, Charlie, yami yeninda ho ye.
Wonderful.
Mourinho adie no time na so
the Managerial. Dabi yanko enim. Yanko enim.
Nyakopon ya adoma June 2024 na Jose Mourinho. The contract beba na wie. Na Gianluca De Mazzi according konkonsa say akwa na the contract no wo mo renew. Roma for ne beja no kwan ma na ko mo kra no mo pass akeno na nsia no mpese o mo hwe Emmanuel Madedom. Now if Roma have not sacked Mourinho for two reasons. Whether they have changed their stance on him and now they've not gotten a replacement for him. Because Mourinho free no, Mourinho has not been a failure at Roma, but he has not met expectations, sir. Oh, what J Conference League, Europa League were final. But Roma's dream will be to play in the UEFA Champions League. Mourinho by non-form qualifier. They've not made the top four in the Serie A for consistent periods under Mourinho. And Fried Fenebusiano, the Friedkins will want to pump money and see them play in elite competitions. And then this can be on Essence Beba. Mourinho to me. So I don't think that they will want to retain Mourinho at all costs and also against all odds. But who comes in after Mourinho? Because Mourinho ne kwa. Sabe unkofa obia keke emfanemba. I was say the next step will be an upgrade. So Roma Spain and now to find who becomes the next manager after Mourinho. And then a Conte Dina Bem. Conte Swako didn't come out wabo Roma wabo Napoli din. He could join one of these two clubs. Conte loves projects that is promising and has the potential to win. Mourinho project no all Roma no. A good players need to be alone, but mutimi make you more permanent. They will be good enough to challenge. And Conte also changes mentality. But it closes the chapter to Mourinho and in the illustrious career. He can't win all the time. What is 60 years? Mourinho started winning in 2005, 2004. He's not today's coach. And the personality in the air day. So he sustained himself for a very long time. Football then and I'll expect some more time. And that's the competition now in England. It is not as it was when the Premier League began circa 1992. CCA, you have teams with quality managers, teams with equal financial power. Player na Chelsea pe, player na Man U open, Man City ne West Ham win na betimi atobi. So the terrain has changed. So one coach coming to dominate for a certain period. So what you for 20 years difficult. So yes. Mourinho he came, he conquered in almost every country he coached. But the point is that you can't win all the time. And you either modify yourself or you fade off. Mourinho has modified himself kakra. Says he prioritizes using youth into a promoting Roma Primavera and Colano, or promoting Anya Crown more than 10. Eliomaba senior team name. He's doing things yen names first and then Mourinho adioye. But he can't dominate in Europe again because the era need him. And football is about era. Your era for teams, your era for players, and your era for coaches. The Jose Mourinho era has come to an end and will not dominate again. To me, assure. Say, Jumedeni Nabanawia, Mourinho will leave Europe and maybe make an entry to Saudi Arabia.
Mate, made se party. I know your magaza about that. Nezu yabasa to win so part 2 beba.
Part 2 beba.
Mate, to the bwa mesa bana kumasi baba suppose represent ra. Nyami nyinya cause bebre wechia. Na a very very interesting. Kofo nims eza na me kosu ni baranra. Miki koko ko EPNT no besa bana ya bomodin ni timi ato aso na great must be enterprise menka. Em franchise ne romo maso yere mboa. Na ne man ko ye print me from izanze ne yere ho sino tracks no any shark man ya Modia, Chinese trucks no yet spare parts aurona ababa be ramuntime pacho senete and open engine housing open whole big drum springs and afino surpresa bar baby etise v bar whole headlight no Shackman age 3000 headlight no tail list no benye bi na Shackman air 3000 headlight no filters aurona hope seal na fi hui boat no and I say brake bands na pe brake port back brake port front and oil bath ni na no any great must be the aba en kana use to kwan ebi craft Ghana ko Nigeria ko Ramo Benin na ya bomode a Chinese trucks no spare parts ni nya bi na ne great must be the aba be Ramo e wo Ghana ha Krodiama open na Kumase so ame macro opsi kwesi upon SHS number no 024 6330910 024 6330910 0206 404088 0206 404088 and I for wani and so HMO Breku Magazina Obo Modern so wet me 0550 630 664 0550 630 664 na sunyane magazine hono also ba modern aboa na no spare parts no when you be on to sunyane for some fan number no 0257 491211 0257 491211 sene ka na we use no ho atochema na bibia ye ram na yemwa ye bre na yetimi maintain ne kama pre timi ama enche mebana maba betwi draw no o akonya se Sompa sika promotion ubedi sika no pay sheshe na aboa mane ma koyie pede amantifa code no o yusu momo MTN momo nko ade a star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash wabomode na wetimi ewramo ye wo Sompa kuma so fa atwa baako a 5 Ghana twa no dudom na pomode na di na nyeska kese ye Sompa sunyane mo amo sunyane mpatamo no monsoma fo na isbono mafa Sompa nkranza antifa code no to na twa na di star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash na wawram na aboa na nema dediera ma apostle akwaba
mejo so abo
na bibia aboko de
yesu adom no mpa bibia aboko
na mezen na so jare sansoye abibie ma no reference Manchester ankofo bankofo ni abre
we nya friendly
kofo ni abre
we nya
no so hefe pa
no o hwe mesha say Egypt and Algeria. I mean the quality ball no center ball no say was no it was an end-to-end game, beautiful game. Two teams are omania bre even though friendly no on one more say look you're ready for AFCON almost a summer hon the answer. And so the two teams parade the quality from both sides and match no say fair. I mean it's and yeah, we are going to say we are AFCON opener. This yeah, beautiful game end to end. And the star players came to work. I mean, we a incident. Unfortunate. We Hani Mohammed, Ali number 2,
Ali number 2,
and we Ahmed Tuba, one of the young centre backs of Ileche. Omu using Enranti or Uzi. Ahmed Tuba Enra as a centre back, and unfortunately we are Ali. Mohamed Hani Wanyadi. So this was a red card. This was just 26 minutes of the game, and incident no SC. And trust me, Egypt managed to play with that until the 93rd minute. Debi Amikara said because of the quality of players on Egypt team, bought Ali ni Zamalek no munti. Technical quality they meet these top teams. Yeah. So now only Omar Kamal no for him. Okay, I say AFCON 20 Omar Kamal the ball right back.
Yes.
The national team.
Yeah.
Or bench and then Ali Gaba starting on the quality. Until Bemunti he stabilized that. Now Edidimuna Mo Salah wonderful Bobby 80 crossbar. A friend say that was a beautiful ball for Mo Salah 80 crossbar. Now we a call that was being challenged because they think say Mohamed Amdegeni a some ball no. But the referee did not allow that 1G penalty. Mo Salah Bejuma, he plays so well. And then Oanya front three no back on Omar Mamouche or second half. Coaching decides so basically Mahmoud Ahmed Ibrahim Hassan, a friend of Trezeguet, no transfer no. Until is Mustafa Mohamed center forward and Salah at the right. Those Omar Mamouche or ball left side of the attack. Until no or is it Trezeguet and Trezeguet was a delight to watch. And now Ahmed El Said, Zamalek player, no, he was so solid, intelligent, moving, passing. On a very good player. Fred Zico, brilliant player, and because he has support from Hamdi Fati, any Mohamed El Neni, we say Amre Sulaya Pra, and so Amre Sulaya Pra, you know, see and Hamdi Fati star number 6, and then now say Tarek Ahmed Bemu. In fact, we are seeing the Tarek Ahmed the original number 6 in 2017. A prime so Tarek Ahmed and now Bamu you know clearly we're fully fit now and now so now they have Hamdi Fati, Amre Sulaya Beba, and then Tarek Ahmed, and now they played very well. And Hamdi Fati, a beautiful ball for Ali Gaba, and my Egypt near first goal. Then the Algerians and Rami Ben Sebaini, what the coach has done is that one say and Norman Nuri and Boma Ben Sebaini boy. The reason why I use Ametuba true or no honey Mohamed record or use Ametuba any Isa Mandi. Ametuba left side center, but so trash say Ametuba be far now. Same far, then you go back to Ryan Al-Nouri as a left back, not Rami Ben Sebaini Bepe Isa Mandi. Now you say I tell about right now. Trainer Onipa Bejuma, Sofian Feguli, general, but a dube second no abre. And now only Rami Zeruki, or now only Rami Zeruki, and Ramares. He played them in midfield. And about Sai Brahimi, who yesterday had a wonderful performance. I mean, on your 2 chances he wasted it. Sai Brahimi playing on left, and then on the side, say Obebo. I don't know why he did that, but Charib Garibi, also a young, talented 20-year-old boy from Frankfurt, no?
Yes.
Or ball deep me for a brutal. But it's because of stars, if you enter, coach didn't call anymore. And it was a delight to watch. I mean, Guri, LED attack, no free move, and then Mohamed Moura, Ebemu in the second half. And then Islam Slimani Bema, a wonderful ball from Youssef Aitel. and Aslan Slimani did 1-1. But you see, Osha Dessa, clearly Egypt. So Egypt still have quality that have to be added to this team. One, Amres Rule Ababat. Mustafa Fati, Samuel Struggle, he is in form. Hussein Eshat and no Bobby, Afsha Mabi and Bobby, Mahmoud Karaba and Bobby. They'll become part of the team. And I say Brian Bobby, Akram Tofik Amba. Akram Tofik was part of the team 2021. Then you also have Omar Mamouche Bemu second half. So Marawan Atia, defensive midfielder for Ali. Who expressed Nabil Ahmed Kuka. This is after the 22 Nokoya by and Ali. He's been phenomenal. Yesterday was on Bema. I didn't come. So the Egyptian team going to the AFCON, this will be beefed up. But trust me, they are a solid and compact unit. The Egyptian side. For the Algerian side, yes, the Algerian side, Hakam Boudawi, of course. Islam Slimani, Yassin Brahimi will be part of that. Islam Slimani will be part of it. No, that's all of revenge by the Vaticano. Will be part of it. Baghdad Bunaja Rambobi. Hakam Boudawi will come. Badredden Bouanani, Nis striker, no, will become part of it. Ismail Ben Nasser has recovered. Onakaza Grand interview, he's coming to the tunnel. Onomu chief enforcer. Ishmael Benassa will be coming. Yusuf Belaili will be coming. Andy Delot, Adam Unas. So clearly, the team Algeria there'll be more top class players that will be added. Amabomudi added to the team. The Algerian team are stronger than the Egyptian team, also being stronger than this. So a normal display high quality. Now, second game, Senegal. Any game where Abu Nyatama Hebi a top quality. This game. Top quality. Top. A was ropa.
Senegal and Cameroon game.
Egypt in Algeria. And even Senegal.
I was a tactics Juma quality players who are Juma.
No, Mahrez, Yiniamapa, Yikechepa.
I was on the Miami Paul Massem. Who's there? So more key players be a mobile born or Abrucho Munimba. Riyad Mahrez na Oji abomuno ba Clay unze wa yi no ho
Salah to the
same team Mohamed Salah Salah de crabs or ba no kra na ya na ehu kra jeze ana de on
no ye djuma ma team no more
o ye djuma ma
team no more yes or no person no be ye djuma ma team no more so it was an epic game on captains Riyad Mahrez Salah once captains no now Senegal team no enra omo decide say Ali Usise says nipa ho adwuma no so you. Now don't forget say this Mohamed El Shenawi, then you have only Abu Gabal. Okay, say Shenawi prior and Abu Gabal. Obe we need tournament, you need a top class goalkeeper. They have number 1, they have number 2, and then they have Mohamed Soubi, so they don't have a problem. Algeria, Anthony Mandrea, coach Nacha say no, and Abeko, Mustafa Zegba, and the other Ukija, and also the Rise and Boy experience Beko. So you don't have a problem. Now, they call the game between Senegal and Cameroon. Cameroon and they really did well. Because Makase, the countries no more star-studded team, more depth on the bench than any country. Bakuye, Senegal, Bakuye, Nigeria. Nigeria problem no defense ni goalkeeper. But Nigeria says a team. Ome team yama with 3 teams.
Nigeria team.
Nigeria. Same apply to Senegal. And the no Senegal be juma, but Cameroon actually say in big games ball. Now, this Jean Castelletto under a centre back and coach using as a right back because so far on far Collins Fire Ember team no more and Ambrose Oyongo or back no also 2021 2017 they were in the team.
Yes.
And no, it was a very difficult game. Now Senegal back game with 3 back. Musa Niakate, Nottingham Forest centre back. No?
Yeah.
He no Shekuku. Also Shekuku had a very good centre back.
Yeah.
Okay, Salif Keita red card. No? He was the one that played here. So he and Khalidou Koulibaly. That's the back 3. And Crepton Diatta was right wing back. And Ismail Jacob was a left wing back. So we bought Papa Matassa and Nampale Mendy. Now don't forget Papa Matassa, 21 years. One of the transition after Abrante this Ghana Gay is getting to 34. So he Lamine Camara, any Dopey Loop, almost this 2. Dopey Loop is 21. So almost 3 Baku will be a replacement for Ghana Gay. And he anymore then he played Abrante of course, Sadio Mane, Habib Diallo, and Ismail Sarr.
Habib Diallo and Ismail Sarr.
Yeah, on 3.
Nicolas Jackson.
No, Mr. So they start the game. Mane had an opportunity before where a penalty gonna share. Before he had 2 opportunities of wasting here. Then almost said Cameroon also and Gerlandwa and Pierre Kunde and Oliver and Chamon Finfi. They were solid. They played so well yesterday, but they came up against the more experienced and determined midfield from Senegal. And the one go now, Abrantier Sadio Mane share, that was it. Now, clearly, and now many G Cameroon Bibi Onana, he came to the work and no Bejuma or you had the Fabrice Ondua or bench and now Nana or Yejuma come on. Then also the fact say coach no what he decided to do say on no tolo and boy and so especially where over darling young and a boy but no tolo always start. But Jean Castelletto as a right back or a right side center or right back, it is because when say Ayana Collins fire Omo come with him, Ayana a chain number, he want a steady back four. And to Omar Gonzalez, Harold Mokud. Waktre said that's the back four in it. But don't forget, say Zambo Anguissa Beba, Sam Gui Beba the same fool, Mumin Gamelo Beba, and now Chupu Mutin didn't play. Brian Mbimo, Vincent Abubakar, and then Katoko Ikambe. Those people will come. Christopher Wu, young centre back now, but work up against Brazil, no? Or Kokobi Kama.
Start rain for.
Yeah, start rain. Enzo and Bossi, Udini for top centre back. Olivier and Baizo. These are very technically quality young players that will come into the team to make the Cameroonian team stronger. But for Senegal, and now Pate Sisi by Bobo Kakra. Idris Agana gave revenge Bobo Kakra. The Senegalese team, as it sits today, only himself Yusuf Sabali Yanfreno, Saliu Sis Yanfreno, Fodebale Toure Yanfreno, Bunasa Yanfreno, Abdoulaye Sek centre back, Papi Sisse centre back, Abdoulaye Ndiaye centre, Abdoulaye Ndor centre back 4. This were not part of the team. They will come. Jackson, they're 22 years. Jackson, Mbai. Now, don't forget, say Famara De who is a partner to Sadio Mane, was not part of the team. Who they are here. So, Ushe Senegal team. Bula idea. I know about from yeah. So, Omo mi bonya, Omo from Mimbo Bamba Dien, Mimbo Papagay. Who they are here. So, they are spoiled for choice. Because Ishmael Sarr does not start for the Senegalese national team. But no, say Habib Diallo on here. But Habib Diallo a bench, Ishmael Sarr a bench. Who they are here. Now, Osho, my friend, the normal boy against Algeria now. Obo Nicolas Jackson, Sadio Mane, top. So, or try option because all pool. And one good thing they are doing because Osho Dopilum, Osho Lamine Kamara, Papa Matassa, 21 years. Tikakra, on say or the Ghana gate to bench, Emma Ghana gate the every bench by or Pesa Kwano starting with Jumano so don't take over from the transition management from Senegal is incredible. Now, quick one on Nigeria.
I was on China ahead. Or Chaba Nigeria, the another Olympic Marseille team now a big good January now, Miss Rowe.
A big good January,
now players be AFCON the age them.
I mean Harris is so. Your friends at Morocco for Afana
Ochina, me Nigeria, it is all squad and no Olympic Marseille team may be good.
Mozambique and that fam's out.
Mozambique, you know, Eddie. Or Ochina, yeah, bye. But I see, I know Ojina is still there. Oh, Zemi don't need baby more.
Yesterday, baby,
I called AFCON, and you prepare. Well, we got last chance about said Thomas. So, a draw with the big German son or both for her bar, Mr. Now, a draw with a Juma air bono or both for her bar, Mr. Kofu do one dance years are, but among Coswan Changuman Chamaba air draw no. The Sompa Sika promotion star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash. Odo Uyusumo Quadia. O akunya so bebo modena watimi atwa onya twa so nko abedi ntwa ba ko twa bibri ene na ma akwan na wadi na mamenko na last chance eba center o maso ye menkonko di nkomo aduro ni nesi ho no ja wom papa obofo he ba Mr. Oban yakwa ba
mejo so menua
na bibi ahye
pomodi wo ho
ba we do too much
pa
aso we don kwa beja na chiri ana
se wo pa metimi dia ma ye problem meja na chiri
for there o too much
enei adura wo dwa so a we atwere ho number 4 said the sports musi ye no formation 442 no sa pepepe edete anopa ewia eni anwumre na wonya eye obofo heba mixture no wono nom na timi aboa na eni gisam ne say wo bransa na aduro we eye de ebadwa so kaya on the 21st September na ye holiday no ye krom ha ye ma chetetre ya promo eho no mo na ye akumasefo ene Ghana fo bo modern eje obofo heba mixture no omoje tumo yie papa hu say aduraba na nso obofo heba mixture no adwumadia edi no ano edin ano ehye papa na nigisam ne say ansa na obofo heba mixture beba no opanyine bia ni mfie atwamu eye aduwotwe ni mfie ekwa animu pa wanyini wono ne kura sa aduro ye ne dia nanso so no oni ahoden a obetimi aye ne dodowo mu amamanfo atimi anya bia atimi anom enti ne kuro ketua bia wo mu enomo edi ho adanse ene manfo efro ka akokogye aduro enom enya yarese nya apomuden eno na nam so a eye obofo last chance ebo modi kokosia no ene ne di nkomo se ada bi edo papa se de ye ntwe ma wo mfa nhye kroketo we ye mo mfa nhye dem na emom e wo se ye boa na ye ne dodo mo de pie e ma manfo hum e krom hanom no ansa na wo mfa aduro na bonte no e wo se mpanyimfo bi di aduro no ahwehwe hu sampa aduro we ye aduro a ye papa betima bo nipadua na beboa emfo nsu aso boni bia amfam na nipadua na from say FDA ni twa ni tiasa na efre no Food and Drug Authority ya mode kɔ ne koye mu hwehwɛ mu sampa eduro ye eduro beboa nipa ansa ne timi aba abonten no kre ye bomodin edi ache no panyine ne kɔyi keke nua ne haban di bomu ade kɔ Food and Drug Authority wo ɔma hwehwɛ mu ade ɔmo stamp team so say ya pan sa ampa eduro ye eduro a eye papa nipa no mo a ebetimi aboa no eduro a obeka say wo diabetes a wontimi nom o pressure wontimi nom obi ale bia wo so bia no ohia do bi na betimi am na dro we ye aduro ne dwumadi e di pote kese pa e ntini mu adwuma entini no enipadua ne sentini mu sisi a onua a doctor fo ni bi kura be ka kiro se obi ho no ma sebe na adwene mu kanu a ni nyina ejina ni ntini bi mu ate ana bi mu ntimi ena ho e bi sentini no e wo sa ye doro ben e fa ni twi no doro ben a wasa enmoja etimi famu susu ampa se wo fie kura wa ye tap honom no bibi esi nsuo ne kwan ne nsuo ne made na esi washroom adwaye wo bra nsuo no bibi akoko choki gata no na se nsuo ne nkwade na wo se esi enema pi na wo se esi enu ti sa na nyankopon ye nipadua na ye ntinim tambia wo se moja di mo afrisane ne moja na ko edeba enu na wo se wo hia eye obofo heba mecha wo no nom no na ma wo ntinim ada ho enema bia esi kwan bia saade bi ne enema bia esi kwan wo ntinim bia no na eyi ne de afiri ho no we no eye zoom lion ema nipadua no wo ntinim enu nti wo bia hia bi enfa wo ne adwuma wo ye akapentafo mesifo magazinefo wo bia ye adwuma din bia wo kroma no wo hia obofo heba mecha obofo heba mecha wo ye heba mecha na se eduro na se wo no no ma mepa acho oni stock tonkwanta amapai se anansi acheme ode ne tonkwanta amapai se yade bi te se ye typhoid na duro pani obofo heba mecha typhoid na hawo typhoid tetew typhoid atran so ache wo de wo so wanum nuro bebre bomode ma won sanka obofo heba mecha na wo no obofo heba mecha na ade efre ne se malaria ekromu ade malaria na bu papa se
abu
antontom
mo we o kroma
enya asem ketua wonua na wo pe malaria duro kese pa eyobofo heba mecha enam se ye moja ne ntirim adwumenti yade ntimi ntirim eno achi no e boost immune system emoa na woni paduanum no enkoku wo mo ekomo mo ahoode ebetimi ako ede atia yade bia ebe ni paduanum eno nti se wo tie me na wo hwe me na no pa ya obofo heba mecha na mekanfo de ama wo ya to apeti wo dwama so be bia wo kwa won sa betimi aka bi na won so atimi anonom na mmom ko na se wo hu din na wo de kai obofo ai ne brofo ka se be ka se bia angel wo de fasade ne tu trim na sa wo de wo so pa duro na ya twere ho OBO4 9 4 ewo ho no enie etimu a mo hwe TV no mo hu obofo heba mecha obofo heba mecha OBO4 heba mecha bomodi na no bi na timi emboa me de ka benya wo bi o stroke mesra o faye wunsu a obenom ebe boa wo pa wo ko hospital yesi wonya typhoid eno no typhoid ba wo so a wonsono yetimi etwa bi na de bi ato bi so enipa wote wo kora no wo kɔ ba kora no ho ode te sɛyi na ye sign de sekan ba bɛka ho besrɛw si ano kwan wo bra won sekan obofo heba mesha edure ba ye nche na so heba so bebre na agye dure akantan so obugu so mo ton de mayen efese duro de sɛ papa enye okra na bɛka ho asɛm pii nanso so no obi wo hono ma onte obofo heba mesha ho adanse anase wonte ho asɛm ti na wo sɛ ye pie eba bonte bɛka ema wiase nyina ehu sɛ nei opedu papa ɛhohoro mogya mu hohoro ntini mu ɛma wonya ahoɔden ɛma wo to asɛntwetwɛn ɛma ɛyɛ wo na anya titiriti saa nanse akyɛw ɛma wonya mmerɛ bɔ mmɔden sɛ wo nsa bɛka bie edwomfoɔ ma ɔmo yɛ adwumaden te awiasoɔ ɔmo noa nnuane da bia wɔte gya ho mesɛ wo hia ɔbɔfoɔ hɛ ba mecha ebetimi aboa wo obi wɔ mo bɛyɛ adwuma ɔbɛkɔ fie no wabrɛdito ne adɔbafoɔ wɔyi gyi a mate ne wɔsi ne wɔbom ne wɔyɛ mo nyina mo hia ɔbɔfoɔ hɛ ba mecha ɛyɛ magazine foɔ mo pagya nade ahodoɔ mo mason foɔ mo pagya blocks carpenter foɔ mo pagya nnua bɔ danso ne adade nyina no wo hia ɔbɔfoɔ hɛ ba mecha obi wɔ mo kɔ adwuma no bɛduru fie a unua adeɛ kyina abobɛ no nan bia no num no nsia ɛwɔ sɛ wɔsɔre na wɔtimi ɛkɔ adwuma no bo sɛ no wayɛ mmerɛ wayɛ ha ohun ye wonye besrew so bofo heba me chaye waduru na anasefa ye wunsuo bomode ne nonom anopa awia anwumre ubon se wankasa ade beche no no wate ise kinkin na wokọ doctors say enipa wa na koranya be se do hwere nwotwe obi wo hono mo a okokata so a ebia nonson ebobo bia be dondu duba akono nani ate onna biem kopem sa ade beche me pa cho enye mesrew bomode na wasanka obofo heba me sha na bomode bubobi nunum bi na enya ahoden ubon se obeda na ho no nan nonum wani ate wasore wadware oku adwuma ompe we na apede efise edro we yadro a ehohoro ni paduanum ehohoro mogya mu eyi nyade bia wo mu eye zoom lion obofo heba mecha prapra be bia kona bia wo ni paduanum mu bia eyi fini yade bia e de fi ni paduam enti se wo tie me na ope edro enei ebetimi aboa opa bomode na sanka obofo heba mecha OBO4 heba mecha eno na medi ho adanse de ama wo ye o ma ni bi ho no ma bi abosumi bia no so wa wonim omakontua ye o mutuo no obi ho no beka mu saa obi ho no ma sebe ye ena enson bi ho no ma nanu nansa na atwa se de be obenya kwan kwakodwam mesrew wo ye ne saa na se ama na kira we nu onyankopon ahye de ato wo nanso no a mesrew etina bi no e de yade foforo be bra wo betimasi wa wo ho kwan pese saade ne beto wa meso eyobofo heba mesha OBO4 okwa wo de also pedo na atwere ho 4 no Ghana ha edro bia ni wono ma wo krom ha no ma ya twere ho 4 eda ho se eye OBO4 no a eda ha no unya bi wo ba bia Food and Drug Authority age edro ya to se do ya duro a eye papa na edro yi okwa mia bebira benya bi ato ya to apete mia bebiri pharmacy 52 ewon kan poni mantem eye kasoa obenya bi wo ho eye obom road sa kwantempo na so obenya eye obofo heba mesane bi na botimi ato no wonom na aboa sanso so na 52 heba shop ye wo Kumasi Kenya ase he ya etufo buo mu dodo bi apebia no obenya bi na so watimi ato okọ enkran na naboache de wagidin na naboache ye obi a wono no so waduro nya papa onye waduro epanyimfo onye aduro ne ntumu a onye waduro ono akasa wo de aduro kwa ne shop wo no ono akasa je enum bi ehwe ewu se waduro na wo de aba ne yadupa ansa na ogibi de agu ne shop wo eti wo kashi drug lane na naboache okọ hono ma wo sa ebetimi akabi san so na ye dani farmer ne shops nyina wo Ghana ha ba bia no okọ dani farmer shop a ubenya OBO4 heba mesha na wo so watimi ato okọ takwan so a ene ho so ye obi ewo ho was abibiduro efie ho so okọ a obenya be ne watimi ato sanso so na okọ Cape Coast a eye Sankotex pharmacy ho so obenya bi ato sanso so na AA Mensa ewo Takrade Market Circle ho so obenya bi ato sanso da sunyanefo a mo hwe yen se sunyane Sompa ho a mo hwe yen mu tie sunyane mo nko capital O2 obenya bi na nso so watimi ato na watimi anonom eduro ya eduro a aba mo obi aka na hye no so unya mfie eye dumienu a adroi wontimi enum bi sana emra ne nhyehyeye da hotie saa so na apemfo wontimi enum saa dowe bi ene abatan a omoma enufo anom no ba kola twadufuo se kim bomode se osabeka OB04 heba mesa na wotimi anono me sorry ye number sa didi dwuma eni apese ofra eni edi nkomo wo pebi atu aton a ofra yen ba bia no eye 0574 353 707
707
0574 353 707 and 0533 12 17 and your numbers fraying elchemu bia opebia no won sabetimi aka e dia fa OB04 heba mesa ho
Mate
nunumbi nenya ahoden efa gina wona so
we dey emezebe ya the premier dan ho aba ye kwede ba preti asimofie na mo maka se Sompa sika promotion me kwede ba ya me ba betwi draw no ntwa de na *256*3# *256*3# wafa Sompa kuma se no aba Sompa sika promotion ye jedwa me na mo ba ya pe de akebia eto aso ofie de amamo.
Sompa 21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa womuji international awards ahodo womuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na womu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni baabi a gise 21st clinic nkoa womu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a womu gidi womu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha baabi a womu ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. There's a 21st clinic. Woman is sciatica expert.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. O how bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na me chika se so na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de kume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda so ape. Na waja me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwesi da so ape. E na oye me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan koma Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa pa fi. Oje aware Royal Foam. What nane relaxation aye de awoto so a wunya wo mu ne se Royal Foam mattress eye papa eche eye quilted mattress inti woda so a ama wona ye foam se woto mattress free Royal Foam a teche wo free pillows Royal Foam age abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu yet on quality duvets curtains beds ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots ewo Ghana fananyina fre 020-227-1000 Royal Foam rest assured.
Wana metesa wo ba no se wo Canada.
Woko suku.
Na yesi eja pia ba no nso okọ na nso no de okoye adwuma.
Me say amanfo akọ no. Enya gro.
Ja ye no ho na de won kosa no.
Express Group for ya.
Express Group.
Yes, Express Group. Obia na nya bre. Bese otukwa kwa ma no ne de. Wo de obekọ simple. If you want to study and work in abroad in any of the advanced countries like Canada, US, Australia, UK and Germany, they will take you there. Next year visit and now turn so we call Dubai, Canada, UK, USA, Australia, and Germany numa what they obeko. Say ya juma so what they obeko Dubai, Qatar, and South Korea. And if you want to write an international test like IELTS, SAT, TOEFL, GRE, and GMAT, they will assist you to write. Asa for labor, runabout wa and crying. Kennedy First Light, Tema Community 18, Lashe Big Boy Filling Station, Sunyani Silver House, our High Court. Hospital, Tamale, Ayama Building, Tamale Teaching Hospital, Takrade Market Circle, and our offices. Our my bebre so telephone 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Alright, yambo de na yitibia to aso kama perfa wati cheme ba na me draw no di kan maba ababa betwi turo wa kwanya se isi abomo de na so no wetimi ewram na Sompa sika promotion no when kama party star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash yeah and is use MTN mo me patro oboshimpa ye wo Sompa Kumase Sompa Sunyane o Sompa Nkranza and tu na ben Kumase mpatama ana baby ahemi fino na wawramu Kumase o Sunya wawramu Sompa Sunyane na boa na ne ma de de amantimi din komo kakra bi ba ya pe me bana ma ba betwi draw no ntima de no entimi emra na mom ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services ni doctor ni mo ejuma no bona no edin tu ma ni nyina ene se fa na wodie mu nsensem ena afro ye bema wanya how kakra wo ba bidua no ana tedua no a e ni what scientific clinic and diagnostic services ona doctor ni mo nkono wasi nkonyo obo ejuma son ye papa ene tiriye oyoba aso wa wodie no how kakra ewo mu abo ejuma ba bia emma so oyoba na be ma fiber so no edunya nami ayen so no edunya obe no wabo na se never jana tight no obo mode etime ni nyina ene zo oyoba na infio no na bie kakra wo ze o ma bebi cheche ye de na ye akono enye sa akukubo obeba bere no okoya ba obeba bere no okoya no mboa emma so rusi pe no onsa entimi enka na be ma so wadi so a ya na girls ni twa wada papa na ne dog beboa na penis enlargement no why from wiser to beam nation adinu mu ayedu Mupozi ebuo na mebepe den ware na ogina didi no na nimza akwa no na de na eze nkruma na antikona yamwa ne peja mu kama performance ne eba ne kidney mu hawo oliver ro hawo hepatitis no typhoid ne dunya cancer won sensem hypertension stroke no diabetes no na nompem no otiso akakro na weni eyo ya na afro se dunya twa ye ewo so edu anadwo a untimi nda na osotia na etia ni nyina no doctor ni mo be na wabo na we jana so habamba obo modin ye adure de ma no hwe mu se we ni we no na mekambo mebeboa na asa ya ye we nti no obo modin ane nema bi odi badwama so bia no ya de eboa ma nema de dadin so etimi de ma na nhihye mu no our laboratory services as scan services no oye or other machines so pa otimi ade bo adwuma enti kuma so pena na jeza tonsu mu na ko jansho o sit adansi we abank obo modin a joda kokosi memenda anopa 7:30 am di kokoramo 6 pm no transi ehwehwe nkofo na jeza how ni mu eboa timi so ano de ma na nkran so no wo ni chemo circle inside photo ama na che so mo Bengori filling station no omo ne next camps ni die ni wen nkran so no o trans ya woda kokusi memenda anopa no so aba pa mu kokusi enwume no nsia na waboa na nhwemu no wa ye timi da ma fa na ma no na kan how na omo ano so ano wanton ya nya no adro 0244 087687 0244 087687 and 0279 087687 0279 087687 nomwa na ne mande da yeso no entimi emfa mo kama pa na ntoto ye no enko ye emfa ma Vodafone for semenka emfa encho say ya bomode de hihye pa etimi aba ni na ze ne ye de Vodafone cash special bundle no etimi aba bebaze mu de ye papa ni na zo bomode etimi yusu de Vodafone cash special no na chese mu hihye ne ya de ye etimi de mani na so da star 110 hash na call my Vodafone app no so afa 5 Ghana cedi ye amount 200 minutes a year valid for 7 days all network na wetimi da fret na boa manema ko ye da 5 Ghana cedi spare and a wuchia Vodafone further together na nema ade da ye timi da minus saba industry semenka emfancho zenebra na bra be rama maso no mo na bo moden e the quality herbal product ababa be rama ano e di ye papa emuso no e de pa na de di kan no e NS ointment uye baby girl na ne stretch marks na body na boso a e putu guys ne off e wo so okona okoje NS ointment ni bi di fifam na yi sa ha no if you netimi edemau and afi pimpers aju ni maboso why you tino na sanwanso abia babegu na ntema proper ohonam na so 30 kakra enso ewo mu and afi honam no ani na eprekesen koko SCC su baby e ma no tino se ho ano wase a ya na de pampan kakraba and utini mfu a unya NS ointment na yusu ebe na aboa na baby girls na essence ese mfio asawa kakra no de abomu e de afefa for baby beche ebede omo na de awake natural capsules na ba na ye de mama na mema nyina ni nyina nze ekra natural nutrient a eboa na nkwamo no ama na hoden pa na ne makoyera mantu wemre ewo mpama na se pono ewo na de bi fi obebi ba prostate no ne ma de da yojo nso bre low libido bosome so mu nse ka odwe awake natural capsules na esa hwe nam ya ye nyina etimi efi o penfo ntimi anum bi o ma akwara no fo ntimi num bi onye numfie dumie no a untimi enum bi Ghana urwa ni chemo pharmacy bia oro kwa ase neseba industries ni ndupa no upe bia beboa mansa ka obetimi afa na mai na ni pemfo zo di nkomane aboa na so niema no etimi era ma 0245 079915 0245 079915 na 0276 537 701 0276 537 701 na mbo na hyehyɛ no ende da ye kama so no entimi emfama na bibia enko ye so etimi emfama na maka the weekend no ewo se yenyeska enti eye bertwe no se ekɔ ekoko ram na the golden code promo no ye di edwuma wanye dumfie dun otwe a www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh waramo ya boana hyehyɛ no akoyi kama pa etimi era mana de tienie yesi ne okwa golden booking code no ya twa bebi 100% to kreke so eba se wo fa enyi bi mfi memfa bi nka ho utwa no 1 Ghana de kokoro 50 Ghana ni ediwa ya bɔ mɔde on sika no ya return de ma we no nya ne bebi a gese Betway na bɔ mɔde re ntutu no ewram na akɔ momo vendor bia ona hu ze ne omu posters ni bi wo se bɔ ye top up wa ye na ye boana hyehyɛ no akoyi pretimi era ma Betway we de obedi bia terms and conditions ni ade a ye apply no woman boama ntutu no ekoye ma Trinity of Arc Limited Company akwenya ba e de ama doctors no nurses no midwives and afi lab technician no oye health work and Canada UK ye okɔ akoyi adwuma wagisika bebre bebi abeda de obedi na ndwen ho san hyehyɛ Trinity of Arc ebebo modena amode atoto na kwamo etimi edi amanya no nko yesu preso tu kwan ko ekokosua de wa amro ne edo be na footballers no yeji sports visa so no etimi ere ma o wonsa no djuma baby etise Poland baby tise Denmark Italy and afa baby tise Malta edo be na wakọ akubu edjuma na aboa mane ma kuyera mampo ni sa no djuma ni ya Trinity of Arc hyehyɛ duru mu baby a ubenya sika bebre na odi aba fie form number no 0531 644217 0531 644217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 na 0205 572 076 0205 572 076 kuma so po mo adro to masalachi homo ebena report junction no Kasua New Market Road no Fidelity Bank aban show no ye boana on say timi akomana nema adeda di impede ama Royal Foam Ghana Limited da mattress papa so me konye me ya machi me ya ni nyina to atwa ni nyina the Royal Foam Ghana e the Royal Foam mattress na ba emu eden na afi oton so a obeyusu ache yi papa de mom nkomo no ye denie me pacho ye bo mode bo maba so a 16th Ashanti Business Excellence Award a ye organize ye no ye 20th anniversary ermo 24 tutu no ye timi amom gold award nya no nko 12 Ghana Business and Financial Services Award Excellence Award no ye mom award na ne de omode aba no echinkroi ni yanzo ultra modern showroom a eno do wani chimo factory premise premises ewa so kore mamponu fiwa na ko CCC na too much secretins na pe mattress na pe different types nkunya wodo na ene niam wodo edi CCC dem no yere ababa be ramunti no form number no ne omonka so mo number na efopa 0202271000 0202271000 Royal Foam rest assured na boa ama nema koyie pa etimi era ma 21st clinic se nema dedana kwamo ya wa wodo na ye yidi fi ona baby a ya dwo motuma oko baby ebo mudin no eye sciatica ho nkomo sciatica no ne se ye maame ye papa mo a mo koko diga no mo transeche wa transe ama to asinti no etwetwen wa mo so echuo baby wa ntu ana mo debi no o baba bebu bia ba ko pe ene ye hu adwuma nkofo fi ama no ne ba bejo ma ya izandi ze ya don ko Ghana na de na hyase ama na mboto brana 21st clinic embo na ne man de dinya no kon stroke dunya hypertension nyana sepo no zenne no ya wa hodo na fruitis ba besu na ase no ye bo modern so ano omo laba ye bedo so anso na amadu scan services no omo ye Friday bia to for na gym massage no your machine ba ku bi re bo ho a oboze na etwetwon na moja ni die fusane udu fi ada ho anda form na aboa na ne ma de die da mojuma panti more than 15 branches Ghana bibia omo ye juma Kumasi overseas junction on bena free radio oboase cancel cortes cordial shube nyo makra domi market tu nyo musunyane enkranza na techi ma fanambai didi nkomona ka ha ne mwa 0249 311 0249 311 at 0540 311 0540 311 ti mama marenko na Sompa sika promotion me draw no menye de di kansa na mabana Michael ne akomia na apostle ye ram ne didi di nkomo afisi antin de di kan ye na jese didam ye boboso sa mani rewrama di eko uti na number pia na jese odam ti ye aboso pan na meze neno maza ne mabuwa ye kakra ti 0542 908 777 0542 908 bibintie membo I final free number no but okay number ni ti number we 0550 761 final number ne de MSM de see 0550 761 final number ne de MSM final free no mintimi nye we ni ade ana mahu de mo yo yima ya na mahu de mo ye etoda o ma ye wa no so ye break akra yima yo make cancel sante wo de okay agomia bibi aboko de
na me adomahwe ni experience abudia bi
mate ye roman ye ene 12:30 am Ghana jina konoda sum yendidi di nkomo akra me yazare na ne beba na me ne no edi nkomo na yo bara so o akonya so be se twa be o me ba be sorry so a mesa chiska enti star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash uroma yo Sompa Kumasi Sompa Sunyane Sompa Nkonanza antino di ohra eben wono no abomode ne wawramu ni nyina ne ye Sompa sika promotion nya twa nko abedi Sompa sika promotion ye jedwa ti manya me first one enche me koda me ne no akwa nkomo ni za onye ready nyewe no ye didi nkomo Black Stars
yes abudia be preparation towards the AFCON very essential many nations body or mobile so betimi prepare mo so
ma me hwe na me nramu na me nkomo bra yo di kan di no
ene mo onse
mate me ba sisi a abaina bibi aboko de
but I do we are
na me ba jo o kazafin ya frozen o jina ye na me no ni nkomo o ya frozen
but your friends believe that before take for what it was man
okay ebe za on sa kan sika no
but 250 series
ebe o kazai
but 30 series
wow ebe dia na be catch confuso Sompa sika promotion no pe wanya odi ama unze weni ajepa dia na o be catch omo hwe ni omo mutie
oh chale video chief for na me video fraud me na man for me because the say no ndi this out in the end ba no club party nya go no mudi he Sompa chale myself I'm feel
ebe no ti Sompa sika promotion me pacho ramu now so do there mesa banama be second draw no abaku be 5 Ghana cedi na peso di atwa no dodo na ubedi unya twa nko abedi star 256 star 3 hash star 256 star 3 hash no rameza yanko Black Stars game no divas mo final training na nra orwani nechi mu ewo mo bo mo de etimi ye ni ade na eradimeza yanko na how much game no then I know mo me so how much boka
Abu Wese Sunye.
We swim for.
Oh, there.
Ghana
best scoring draw.
We know.
Yeah.
Ramu Kakre.
Ghana best scoring draw. You see, I'm concerned even with the kind of profile matches I have. Someone might have a different opinion or something of that sort. But comparative analysis concerned with opponents and how the terrain Africanicity here. And going into the AFCON, I'm a lot of friendly games now. You have a feeling, say, at least because some of these games, KBK US can be a high profile African nation, be one or something of that sort. But let's see how USA and the likes of Mexico are testing the big Puviama Ghanaians. But I still have no hope. I have zero hope in this particular Black Stars team. Especially say or more performance nankasa on the day does not go well. There is no pattern. How to improve individual players and I say even within the setup, you bring the correct balance and make sure you beat media results. It is not visible. In this particular Black Stars team, we need a lot to make sure the cohesion. You bring a typical style of play and the pattern be a bit media, making sure going into subsequent games. And we need some of these results going into the November international break. Also, they find friendly matches in the results in matter and as Bibisa. It really matters. One, you bet Makasa about FIFA ranking which subsequently will be bet Makase. They say I can share that BBS one fast was because beat me that bear 40th. No, I bet you the port also say no, I shall not in the court. But Emma who to me two opponents be so unable because November we are playing Madagascar, we are playing Comoros in World Cup qualifiers. Very crucial, those particular two games, and already we are losing the fear factor. No, and yes, we are losing. We've lost the fear factor of Africa. So fear factor na neda Ghana Black Stars. It's a Ghana who be. So this maybe friendly matches in the Kwashe Mexico 2-0 hit. Wabeshe USA 3-0 hit. Basana coming into November but with a certain level of momentum. But if you lose this particular game to psychologically, you're going into the AFCON. Because the qualifiers and the pressure na beba. So at the pressure bar, how we react to pressure of late and you're too positive, especially as Ghanaians. We can't even win games through pressure. It told be a year so be an last hour be chromo as na could be a fetching out to 1-2-1 near the Kwe baby. Sanya ye maybe against Madagascar Comoros, unya 4 points, and that means going into the AFCON, the right frame of mind, pressing everything. There's a lot of expectation and the pressure will be massive. We need to work towards that. And maybe dear, me feel say now sanka within this period, high profile Algeria because I'm here Algeria Egypt born on boy any level on the caliber now here Cameroon Senegal now here tension and the womb Africa born and Mexico mudi enibi and US mudi enibi Victor Vincent Abubakar on your boy just turn the boss was done no panyan no there was style be at the board that particular kind of tournament and especially when you have a coach who doesn't know the terrain.
I wasn't care bobo
coach no nim terrain no Chris he doesn't know the terrain. Obubaka says someone doesn't know the terrain but yes there are instances where you can get that. But naturally, if you want to help your coaches in looking at the modern football, they are in your city corner. Anyhow, other nations are upgrading. You need some of these things.
Mate, Yabasa Babara, Omumami, we are NASCO coach of the month, September. Akwedama coach Frimpong Manson. It is Steven Frimpong Manson Mayanga. Bofo Akwatano. Onona Remediamana NASCO player of the month, September. Akwediama Saka Dauda. Bofo Akwatano. Eti bofo no nza boss ze we dey nyawa he be blah league jazz ye juma or born in your the room the man September na nyawa so maji awards na me
no of course Sakadada has been very consistent and good. I think I saw the counter clinical finishing or set chances be real, but he's a very brilliant intelligent player. But for the coach he's done very well. I mean Ushe because of real talent, but Ushe the game against House of Folk called Great Olympics Accra got train draw Bando out of Lions. Unfortunately, how many goal stars? I mean, chance and Benjamin Yoke minimum at that time. I mean, that's you bury such a chance. Now, Anka Mokomweni, but football society. We share the consistent performance of the coach. He deserves it. And we are talking about Bofakwa. It's not a big club like the traditional big clubs. And has and Adriana Stars to some extent. Precum Chelsea, and so I call here after 16 years on my back, and this is what he's doing with the team, starting very well. I think that Iboda deserve it, but my caution is to the club. I'm careful. Team no ya dear way unya and Kambum. I'm on person who impose players in them, they should be very careful. They must be very careful. My dean for some time this matter, but this matter about a long time. Now, I'm coaching on tolerate those things. On Fimukra. When you follow on person determine player bebo team ya dear. I shall see if I saw also say Uber impose player. Unobeche, Unim Yanka, and I want to coaching. So the Boga official, they should be very careful. All more years and they should be very careful.
Mate, Mesaba, na yedin komo baranra. Komone Chelsea Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium. Niamabia na hinta Michael Sarbodu BB Street me the chair. The second draw no mesaba. Fakodu no star 256 star free hash star 256 star free hash. Sompa sika promotion. Na minchina di. Anobem zen kofa jomo di ati sompa sika promotion ye jeja. Migi akwa babiem.
Abu mejo so.
Then ran komo no ye share part 1 na say.
Yeah.
Na revelations di enra di bi ba pa ma nwenu kra mi nyenya course bi wo ho ne ade. Part 2 ne seni city ne so yiran
enra tofa boni na ne se stadium ne pro ya nka bi ya nye ne ya wo ha na ya de communication aba see ya be close down the Babayara Sports Stadium ayam fan bobo obi on ne sa ne se videos ne ndre be show ni bi no edi ho adanse ya encheche mu no so ende ya be kom deeper encheche mu ne de di kan ne se stadium na nkasa yenwie renovation adwuma no.
It
was not complete.
Oh, okay.
They finished a phase of the renovation project. Mechanics are. It's a shame 4-year tour crata and say Babayara Stadium renovation or no in phases. Na say Bako mienu miensa de kone nim kopem say or mobile to me say ampampa or mo bibia. Enti phase 1 no mo wie. Inti so mo yen in 4 phases are. Yebeka ne say omawie 1/4 akedwuma no 3/4 na ba ko ne kra no na ne titru de me agina mu mo de wie ne ntem no na eye pressure free omo support kotoko wo kro mo gidi se kro bia wo so obo ne match wa ana fe Black Stars phase 1 no adwuma na e wo ho ya abu Tartan Tracks omaye field na nka say ye bobo so no omaye drainage system under the field and so to a enter pitch ne so na betimi atwen tem na yetimi abobo no eno so omaye seat no de na ebubu omo replace ya en kama scoreboard omahwe omaye. So these were the major issues in the phase 1 of the Babayara renovation project in Penifo ahwe na omaye. Inti just an aspect stadium ne fa bi
baby kakra bi na ye
dressing room ne de ne yi no by the time o mu wie phase 1 no kese na nkasa na dressing rooms ne bebre kro mu wie yi na so mo be siesie bra ye bebo Ghana ne Nigeria World Cup qualifier no to some extent na wo so mo be ready no mo ye omo touchline seat na wo ho no dressing room omo ho asiesie ni na na so mo complete no mo into phase 1 crowd before so mo hand over ye use the upper matches no it wasn't up to international standard.
Wow.
To make come yet as say phase 1 the crowd now mo ye no na nye 100%. And it's over fear now adwene mu ye say Babayara Stadium de yesiesie awie nti aye kama me ball kokobion say bosome miensa enan enum ede ko afie di enim no there is a fear ehu wo ho say stadium de betimi asanso closing it down.
Oh.
Enti ye na yen kambom yen sorry na yen to empenifo so anamon na adwuma ese fata sa omo beye no omo bra no omo ye phase 2 ne de na beye abu say oye stadium pitch oye Tartan Tracks oye seat oye scoreboard na unwie ye stadium na nkasa no ye woni ngina so stadium ne fapem stadium no eye dan ne yahye eye concrete ne yedi egu so enti ye hwe nim say de be bossa eye in anwea ebo cement ni ahodo ya ka bom na esi structure no e wo se ye bon ho ban na CCA no e nsuo na edidi komu en nsuo didi komu so a e ma e structure no e weak na se stadium no ba bebu afa so ye benya 20,000 plus people e wo ho a ya nye careful at the better ayo yene CSO baba ya stadium no a shaky kakra enti baby ebu egum CCA stadium no ebugumba
how Migi
this is a challenge I'm throwing to the NSA Nancy Nsuo toy omo call omo offices na nsuo yiri office no ama omo ceiling ebi ebu egum
nsuo yi offices ni bi wa ama ceiling na ebu egum
nsuo to Nancy ya antokese adeche ya omo report for office no na nsuo no eyiri offices ama ebu ceiling no a Kevin ceiling ni bi a Kevin ye ka Kevin a ese ebu egum oh
aduwe ano edion
eno na metwe won adwen die esi so se a start stadium na start ibugumba die na ekọ se phase 2 no also mo ye drainage system no o ma ye field ne de intinsuo to a etimi twinsuo ne free pitch ne so but a dinan kasa de supporters bet nem agi o mani VIP for no sutua kese pa otuo ni na no potentially you are sitting on a death trap
the organ the adena sha come
drainage system na wo ho no e wo say impenifo team e claim so enta me catch was say infiefu enche na ye garden na inwura na yi na fu stadium ne soro enti baba ya na ye be friend green vegetation na say to me eyiri sa good now emuasi intention na ba bekem ana atemu a insuo so taade mu bebre a yesi insuo ta ponche ni oje wo we no edidi ede akọ edanim edidi akọ edanim enti edidi akọ danim no esania de aba ase na sisi walls na nkasa wo ho a na walls no ebunsuo enti hwesoro ede besi ase walls na nkasa ebunsuo abransuo ntoy na nsuo every walls ni ba sa which enre be show videos ni bi ma ho yi enti nsuo na edidi no ene na efifi dan na se ba
sports
yentie ni
adibigi pe de wo kan no se nsuo ntoye kra nsuo ni team fi
nsuo yiri
oh okay
enti se ye bebo matcha ana ene se form ye so so mo ye smart na mo ye fast na mo pe ni pe bi mo pepa enti ebi na mo pepa ya eduana for ne so mbe hu si ye de moja egu omo no eye detol ni cleaning agent no be so na no ehye enti mop no mo use na e redder etuye
etuka
exactly enti insio fifidan no ne nchanchan eba and we no make catch obia we ni de bia na ehinta kakra but on the outskirts of the stadium ura stadium ni insider oye fro e dia constant nim no o de hwehwe stadium ne nchanchan obo se nsuo didi mu ama e show max cracks e wo obia afa na ni hwe emre bi akodokobo match bi a obenya kwan a obeko stadium fo ni hwe bi because we no meka na me de abobi akoko enya me nkwa me ntia o ne mehu na makama no atum because ochine bi anhwa na atore nchen bi kokosi a ebetima ya menua bi ebetima ya madam fo bi ebetima ya obi enti cracks e wo stadium no ebi ni show ha no e wo within and e wo outside so enti stadium na esi wo no so man behwa anya adwuma no e also mo ye wo phase 2 na yet what wo no na stadium na afede ye ntumi use kura bion ye wo pitch e ye okay ye wo we ye wo okay but stadium ni ntumi mbobo enti ese e unsafe si e be use ni na ne se impenifo ato o madwin mu and it's typical of here Ghana for Accra Sports Stadium renovation Esipon now my baba yara no so man be yesa
BBC ya de che ya boss de kara se na brofo akese na o ma twe wo za de che ya na o ma kofa ne ma begu ebeye cause that time no na de ebesi no asia wi asenkofo bibra brabo
good I was at phase 2 no phase 1 no contractor na adwuma ne hye na ase no ono je no no so sablete oh Abu Dhabi na akwaje contract meje contract no Abu Dhabi nim say adwuma no or lack capacity ne the expertise or the be adwuma no nti Abu Dhabi eje mu dia ma akomia basika Abu Dhabi de be ma akomia no wati aso enti wati sika no so nti won expertise adwuma no be basa AESL were the main contractors for phase 1. Omo je kakra. See say ya je from unsem. Omo consult me.
Okay.
Tomo ye phase 1 we no. See say ya je from unsem.
Ya je from.
Ya mama swap consult.
Maswap consult.
Yeah.
Consult the man. Omo kan.
Yeah.
Eh wan yi. Na me nti omo din da.
Me mbambe bodin de. But I'm saying this. Phase 2 no. Almost say maswap consult na so omo ba na omo behwe na omo ye. Minim how an common no maka makwa akodru. But so be tie a. Yes re no. On the on cancer contractors omo a dwumadi ne hye omo nsa. On cancer aban. Say yempo ye ne wokumase. Yempe disaster bia wokumase. Ti yesro omo mra no omo be necessary wa. The yet to say bion and so they say Ghana and Nigeria be boys kabai pa. Good. Ghana and Central African Republic boys kabai. Ghana Angola by ebe boys kabai. Sikano omudo munya from sa gate process no omo fa be renovation in famae. We ya SK betuai. Me pacho wutie ni ye. Sika nya from 3 games na mabobo no. Membo Ghana or Nigeria dempo. Sa under 23 the membo. But sika nya from sa games no. About 20 billion.
So games in America.
Yes. Etimi didi ko 35 billion. Men kindness empoasem me dem srom. We ye konko yese eye sika bia monko peska fambra. Sika wo ho. Sika wo ho. Blasters ama yeska. Enti yesrem. Ye pamocho. Mo de seska na munyae no. Mo fam be phase 2 na se na munyamae. Next month ya Blasters bebo. And yes, sir. Conconsabe me PM, you better conconsa stadium and koye. Oh, not I wouldn't be a bad person if I turn a whistleblower. No, so we say my trap for my cap. Say cap stadium now Blasters bebo ne who won't muji to me a bobo ye. I wouldn't be the baddest person on Ghana.
No, no, any pabon and say me all unim. I dear be who pan say Ghana bobo da be stadium we bomber. Na bomber. Na beti hu na buma
me hu yanka
dabi zada ne
yanso adenti ne yentena se me hu ne yanka ninsi ansa ye hu se wose yetu anamo o de esre mo se sikeni hu a contractor no mama niska bosi sika na sa Ghana and Nigeria, Ghana Central African Republic, Ghana Angola matches miensa sika enyan no ebro 30 billion per a year. Sports Ministry now report
yes
oh mo de betu ya attendance was good. Sikaso by. Into Sports Ministry, Mamma Numasem na Mijinaso. Mesremo. Modia Mofa says Canin Famra. Yen fancy stadium no. When I saw your investment or our DMO, said that you be sans when more. Unyan ye no. Wait when you're in excess of 30 billion. Now baba ya. Unya more than that. Into Yesremo. Na Ghana for Omonkwa at risk. Videos ne nyai. And yes, Ghana International Stadium. Now war no adane fountain na ebunsuo te set up we be pipe esusu na ebunsuo baba deba wa osu wodi me chinie no ko baba yara na odi wani behu ebi omo ho no makata kata so na mpie ba de yam fifi mu akọ na wrewre mu anyankopọ ya dum na onya bowre mu a pe video na twa na ye you come and attest to this way a international stadium for Ghana. And this is our main international stadium. Said that to be a international category match be our ha. I had a bono. Yeah, the baller container and the souls you. Baller container. Baller container and yeah, these souls you. Inti yet honey ya who say ya. Abu I don't know why you dinner, bro. Is it the ordinary Ghanaian? And I said, yeah.
I mean, I do it the Juma we now. Why you top because I do haven't said me eyes and the crata come my boss. This also my baba eyes a boss too because they color. Me I didn't boom that was it. Hey, that you if I was maybe a TVC
a health risk.
Hey, Huba
safety.
I mean the crata man boss too near
risk factors no now baba yara. Edrusro so wo ko baba yara suro ma wo yemu sese no edrusro into obi afa na no fantum ye na stadium ni ko yi a ye yina na ebenya so mfa so se be nya asem na me parka ba me ka asem e beboa ye nyina
Big Martin, I'm watching over Baba to us on I would have a fees free in the corner. You didn't come on. Without the TV out 10%.
10% no matter boys now was supposed better when you say.
Oh, tea almost on when you
say. Yes, I was not so many sky reverse.
I'm say 50 million. There no cramp for the meme.
Oh, there be no cramp. No case. No case. No case.
Now your boy.
And no case.
I'm on fan by renovation.
Mike. And no case. Me Abu. And that money now even your ball games in the cramp for no. Abu. Emma. Ah, and it's the first to the bia. Yentri amoka. Omo be gate. Up till now, be police company security officers do not know that's what the Omoka. It won't come.
They be asking women catch us.
Emma.
Because Emma. Who's that? Be a mechanic. Say, Chiriampon was so none a real one. No way chimney TV and abattoir. Now what? Because anyway, now the way Obina mechanic.
If they value even their workers, crampona, they be Omoko and Mkoye Jumana crampona. Combekas are do a death trap. If they even value the workers, no more year Juma because. And yet they be on a match beating my wall. Abuati the Mechanasino. How would you feel said that cool or more year Juma? They better some part of their office. Also most offices in the type and VIP on the side only dressing room. Obeti as a gongona baba Fufi and Tuata. Nipa 2 me and sa. Now feel much book 10 book of condolence. Near betting any more babayara. Udru fountain one watcher. And him go as a no. More moon chair mocha. More did your mocha. Mo amonya hwe stadium no so say so amo first caso mra na mo fa be so a mutis kan so na kropo de ka e ticketing kan ko straight enye paper no aka so bi atitibi
amamante mesa bana mato so na mo see travel se men kan fa cho say ramu e wa amono ne kokusua de opeso kokobobo kotron ye adwuma ya boa ye do ko US no ye de nkofo ko mom kokocha de samboa eje work 8 year mo Canada UK health workers in the moko ekoku ramu na mo so ma yedwuma factory job no baby to Australia New Zealand Poland Turkey baby to say Israel and Afrianga yo united nkofoko ekoku ramu ene Serbia e mo moko ekoku yedwuma se shingin visa no zene Germany France Holland Italy any Poland aka kan ye be na yaje netim year ama na oye driver oye cleaner oye security man na jeze e ba na ho bambo edwuma no nim na ni so a Bahamas apai Eben Florida, na koku ejuma ne mboa na ne manda de mfama na drivers no so no Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait. Onso ye mo koku ramu ema mu ejuma. Ese scholarship no usua de o China, Canada, Belarus, maybe this US no ni nyina Roxy Travels ebo mo de ni mu boa eje edema ticket booking, reservation na private jet rentals ni na omo eye open birth certificate na free passport a yebeboa ne assist na saade no wanya form number no Kumasi Asafu VIP station Godium Tag building no ubenya 025 777 6730 025 777 6730 055 7607 375 055 7607 375 and you Kumasi na mankind Accra Kaswa CP Optis Methodist Church no 0244 613237 and you can number no 0244 613237 yambwa nyane mankoye kama so no entimi enfama drinks no eye mirupe na ejuma bono krodia ma no eden bako ene mixer 5G habamba ni yaba ene dia ye cafe bi animu entu no mo ahoden sonko Christmas yi no eno na ebo ye the miso fruit drinks no so aba organic fruit so entu wanya yi dodo na aba be hyiama e wo se no na age na de ma hoho no na eye ejuma pa na se ebo asiesie ni pedua ni nti no enso to ba fa number yi na ne mpinfo nkasa ne ma bi na so ton opebi a e de program awajibi 0246 270221 0246 270221 0558 10634 0558 10634 any more east no call for idia Kweku Orchard Company Limited the number is 0243 329414 0243 329414 KF Kinju Enterprise Urwani Chemo no mota Swami Kumasi Obo Modern Wanyabi 0544 483392 0544 483392 Manager Daniel 21st Clinic overseas Mama no Munjibi Mama Esther AFCON Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University Ebuakwa Obejibi PNC Ventures Anomanji Taxi Station OC Charity Hospital Benyabi na Sachi Enterprise Asafo Abinchi OC VIP Car Park ono Yebuana ne ma de dadin so etimiera ma chokre lazi semenka fancho se o tena Ghana ha edi momo akra ne ma afi China na e simple kra ni nyina na zeze na kwanto no doso wanwe ye kra be ko wamba na afi wajamba wichi no baba be romo Kumasi Krudiama na ye workshop bi era man California che kwan befa so a obe yisu momo no era crowd e fi China anti nei mo amobo mo de kra ne ma no ebi ti so decoration phone accessories no packages outdoor na entema ewi jewelry outdoor na diapers no ni nyina eboa na yetimi atcho ze oye ade a wo pese wo na woto efi oba na isu ana okwa akoto ababeton no ni nyina ebe tro ntu twa 500 Ghana cedi e dey aju ticket no yes in the workshop no 27-28 October and e sha si okumasia 10 o'clock am na kwakuram 2 p.m. tifre na ji baby ombe no na de obedin de obenom sada no ni nyina no e show mon say wi asen ama certificate a obebo modern wanya na de dijuma 0535 017821 0535 017821 0508 931230 0508 931230 ne amboa na ebibia ande da yesoro entimi enfama kama na hyehye no enkoye enfama express group semenka fanchoze ne nutu kwan akwa roma manone akosua de akwa yejuma no eyomo maso eye na mu hyehye ne eboaje scholarship e de ma visa won sensen menwe ho ticket won sensen nwe ho opeso kodi holidays ana akokọ wi amanone a baby ti se Canada USA UK Australia New Zealand Germany yerobe ramo omo kwakosua de no eba ne IELTS no SAT no GRE no GMAT no TOEFL no nyina na eboa registration no ene ho nkomo no eya de eroma eboa manema de da yepa etimi ede ma ntukuma so pomo a na jesa safo labor runabout obenyomo Accra Kaneshi First Light obomo de nyomo tema community 18 no Lashibi Gore filling station no obenyomo East Legon orwani chiemo Eben Trinity Theological Seminar na afi takrade Market Circle no Opposite Ernesto Fast Food na Sunyane Silver House no na jeso Eben Court dan no Tamale nso no orwani chiemo Tamale Technical Hospital obenyomo na bibieni omo Eben Court form number no ne omo nin komo 024 900 0448 024-900-0448 na 055-5550-067 055-550-067 yambwa nane mandida di mperfama na www.expressgroup.uk waramuna nchemu bia eremedia ma mekwa posto na meni ninkomo mekoba pe mebo mode na mahwe na me final draw no nane mandida di nti star 256 star 3 hash na waram nane mandida aposo na nkomo na sia babi edimpa
well, me, I can say the stadium should be closed down because you see, Adia Michael can was many videos now are very dangerous, and Obie we are say we name Ochina Nebesi next week Sunday. Robo how much or Barbara Sports Stadium. Kotoko eba no be bobo nankro foko Obi am bomb by cinema but. The challenges are structural defects and the state of the stadium. Say Antoine Moses because the time is now for an action to be taken by authorities. And I should accept of near sea any near Kosovo and near Sancho. I'm surprised that as we speak, the Director General of National Sports Authority.
Yeah,
I'm surprised. But enyemi ngwa bebre ngwa kakra se neme si but enyemi ngwa bebre because you paying for subano no. Because you expect that as a Director General you have a monitoring unit that monitors what goes on radio to give me feedback about Niema ye canfa specifically the Jumedi any the NSA. Until quickly I saw man feedback said near yesini. First of all, yes, some recruit fee because, like I said, a stadium should have a structural engineer. Every serious nation or stadium, so maintenance. So they be able to say, "Adia nipa ye baho, nipa betran ye bobo ho. Uye there, say be car no mutrem no. Can I present you visit mo van go repairs? On maintenance.
Okay.
So a stadium nipa back pressure. What should they be able? Uye there, the facilities will be under pressure. And mu ye juma yenye wie no ejuma na aka no so yenye wie na na mo na moto afa ho how urgent have you realized say ade we yanto na mo ntem ne anya wie ntem a na ebesi na nye say ye wo man mu a police for dispatch rather wu anya news stadium main 9 ni po we brewu what has happened to the children we don't even care if I who the o man me say ye mpanyifo no bebre say nipa wanse na ye hu nyansa ade ne nim say ade ye nye ekwan ade fa so nipa betimi wu na zo ma ayo mo empanyfo bebreji se sebewu nipa wu nipa pra ansa na ehu nyansa na abefo mi community committee na akotranse aka brofo akese brofo asebe heaven crapo brofo no krantimi enko heaven brofo akese pa nipa no ewu no nipa ba ko no unim families or representing okoye se busuan ne ma na busuan ba bia 2030 na omo depend on him ne ma no kwa na be
how kese wo gu abusuan no e de how kese pa na eba
sebe ni boni awan ne se ope ball or se oba ball stadium abehwe ball ni boni no boni se me ba e de sika military tactics abeto wo
are whole same way
but unfortunately omo aye wo mni odi ase omo aye wo yan panyifo anwi nipa ho e omo aye tim no omo aye tim yan panyifo dwo mo botom ne omo fu and unfortunately it affected every facet and tisade we sebe wo your mind how you serious enye se edum pempe so we mpo stadium we na ball your national matches
we your club be na in stadium we your club deal
national stadium
we your Ghana mine dia
oh that's it
national stadium here lighting a you warriors na wo ho na nsuo enna musa
abetimi electricity abetimi kunipa simple abetimi kunipa simple
atiegu ne so na eno so aba be case
so on fa won ti o oya case esi awon be ye no
ba boss
obi anya no hwi onim say problem is there
for me kan ba bigi I was a Carlis NSA na bia release this statement on this issue very bad
there be MPA yo and I didn't know omo nimpo
say no man would dear koi no I would share say did and me nyinya course wo ade we hu an enya course kitwa so ka o say by now mo de bibia ba bi o meki
iso na gina light mu iso na gina light mu nti we sa grada bi te
abu yesuban no
na ebe so bi
na me kan asem enu na wo hu no mpanyifo no sa na mo dedi ho mfa ho
no na wa
me mfa ho suban no wo kra ye mfa ho suban no nti be nyonwa me anya mi ngonwo na tio omo tisu for the current president we see na but man omo ye wi president Kufo o si stadium mienu mi wa and or renovate mi wa ezi mo akoze
edaw abazo da ma fa final draw no ne enko ye bezan baba beto aso me ni so ochena GPS twa be baba ya wode be ba na ya baba beto aso dima mo fa nto so na me fa me final draw no na me enko na me mpija me mu na de akebia enra mu kama penti me ma ntia de da ma mo me ntwi draw no na me fa wina no na ye enko se niema de da di asompa nkomo so ba on be bo mo de na asompa sika promotion no etimi ewra na anwumre so no mo ebo mo de transfer asempini pa no so etimi ewra me de amanti no numbers no na hu se eko eba neba yehe na lucky winner no yetimi guarantee lucky winner no ye 0542908 Amazon final free the edibishi ti 0542908 ti etwen na ye no edin common ya wi when ye Sompa sika promotion ti fa code no to ye sorry ya news ni be ba 12 after no na Sompa nkoma ba beto aso ba so for mama so beba modern na wetimi a chiska no na aboa na ne ma dadi na nwumra sempinipa eno nso no na trans ya na chiso be rewura ma na aboa ma ne ma dadi pa etimi ramanti code ni star 256 free hash star 256 free hash into obi adi obi woto ma e de edi me twen na we na no me ne no awie na ma pija me mu na me ze kroma no yete apa na panyina ni ahu se ade wei aduwe apostle aduwe
eda me wash me hand wo Ghana da e national security akronfo ko e go wi ade o
apostle o se za da la o se akofo ko e go wi ade
national security
akofo go wi ade o di for za da na say
o man
aze we are o be sere pa o national security akofo go wi ade o di se za da la hu ze
ye ni nyame nkwa na ye re na bibia ye life e o nyame se ma
no de ni skani bi wa bomb matches akese miensa nyakopan ya domedoma ba o matue ska to ticket ska wo what next enya no an so sika akra na yenya no ye mfa nya adwuma bi e betimi aye wo stadium o
obi o adwin papa ne ya wo ka no wo ka ideally says ka no ko mo di kra nya ne any
that's ga no mo di
oh masa
o di
this antom oh masa
no mo di aya
oh masa one time and then no mo di
sika ni ho na munya abotre fan train the
you penny for cry to your double side chromogy.
Now, a Ghana for no more stadium, Mourinho.
David, Chroma there. I mean, we are very
and to more ticket, Cotton Stadium, mobile tier blasters, no Mourinho.
Michael, maybe some fear coins. Come as in street light or. Oh, can we? Your safety as a really is important to them. Street light or only what street light all coins are just to Sonny Ridge.
Yeah.
Almost a street light go.
David.
Now come as a street light is or June safety. You're Robo Crafano. Oh, why start? Sports minister.
Mama call there for you. Yabesha. Bebajo, Zabo call there.
Boko.
On that council Gano. Sompa TV ni. O Kazavi Evroze.
The Kazavi. Let me see about that.
O Kazavi.
Right.
I'll not see Evroze.
Eva Park.
Bebajo Unya say.
250 Ghana.
Now cha say.
Because you know first one, maybe now I'm with boy, I'm going to go to
Oh, Kafra. Why me say yeah, Ikakra. Kafra na uti upon our second one was abedi.
And then I'm with you,
oh, sa pepe. Did you ever catch your mom or any your mom with you?
They make a check if we be honest, and no credit. And your phone, and no credit is actually ready. We could friend me say, they find a share man, the first one. Catch them to be ashamed him.
That's it, yeah, my prim. You're called a year about 3 to 4 now. Shoot out on us or no. Yababi didn't come out on her.
One tea, Unipedia, or tea, Ayarisasi. As soon as say, Wapumudi,